Guys, Katrina and Vicky have just had a child. Congratulations to the amazing couple. What better way, we thought, to celebrate Katrina and Vicky having a child than to talk about the movies of her favorite ex, Ranbir Kapoor, guys.
Thank
Welcome.
God he didn't-
I
I
swear,
thought he was going
bro,
somewhere
मेरे को
else,
यही लगा
but
मैंने
yeah.
कहीं और ना चला जाए।
Oh, you went in that direction? That's on you guys. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn. I'm Antrish Rakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Momin.
and today we are talking about the best Hall of Fame movies of one of India's greatest actors, Ranbir
Wow,
Kapoor.
okay.
Tell us in the comments if you agree with that statement. Is he a good actor? Is he not?
And a good actor is and the bro Om Shanti Om देख कर आया मैं।
अच्छा.
Oh, yeah, in theaters.
उसमें वो बोलता ना कि and the good actor is a good actor is who
सुभाष
who
घई ना?
सुभाष घई और
शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा.
शत-
शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा right?
नहीं।
तो फिर कौन है?
चिंटू जी
अच्छा चिंटू जी.
Oh,
थे,
चिंटू
okay.
जी आते हैं।
Shatrughan Sinha and Subhash Ghai actually had a spat when they came to give Filmfare. I think so.
Oh, अच्छा
Shatrughan Sinha and Subhash Ghai had a
I
spat.
think so because Shatrughan Sinha, I think, brought his daughter. I don't know if it was Sonakshi. Does he have another daughter?
No.
Okay, I don't know.
Nothing
तो
on
जब छोटी थी उसको कोई तो बेस्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड शायद देने लाया था और उसने बोला एंड द बेस्ट एक्टर गोज टू और उसने अपनी बेटी को दे दिया.
हाँ?
और सुभाष घई भी वहाँ खड़ा. सुभाष घई मैं भी खोलना चाहता हूँ तो बार बार रोक रहा था सुभाष घई को. नहीं मेरी बेटी को खोलने दो.
चलो लड़ाई होगी इसमें.
मतलब इस पे एक वो टसल हो गया था कि सुभाष घई ने साइड लाइन कर दिया. अरे शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा ने सुभाष घई को साइड
Oh,
Oh, dude,
shit, dude, I had no idea about this.
I was today years old जब मुझे ये पता चल
I think the
रहा है.
video
I
is
had no idea.
definitely on YouTube.
Oh,
You
that's
should check
crazy.
it out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Didn't Subhash Ghai and Salman have something also? Like some tiff?
there was a tiff. फिर उन्होंने पैच अप करके फिर युवराज की थी मेरे ख्याल से.
Oh, ऐसा. Oh.
हाँ.
So
Oh, फिर युवराज की बात
वो पैचअप तो नहीं था.
सलमान खुद
वो
बोला.
नहीं वो पैचअप तो नहीं था. सुभाष घाई ने जोक किया सलमान के साथ युवराज करके. ए भाई तेरे को सबक सिखाता हूं मैं अब तू आ.
ब्रो आज आई थिंक सलमान आई थिंक किसी स्टोर लॉन्च के लिए नोएडा आया था एंड ब्रो नोएडा का पूरा रोड पैक हो गया भाई लोगों से.
सलमान की
हाँ
I
क्रेजी.
think that's his regular traffic in Noida.
नहीं भाई लोग आके खड़े में ऐसा
भाई
गाड़ियों
कभी
पे
जिंदगी
चढ़े
में भी
में
शायद
ये
जिंदगी
वो
में
and all
पहली
that.
बार भाई नोएडा गए थे.
बढ़िया.
I don't think Salman goes like beyond the ceiling.
Beyond Bandra महबूब स्टूडियोज
Yeah.
ब्रो.
He's like, dude, I've done enough bad driving in Bombay. Let's not go to Delhi, dude.
So नोएडा
Change
में
of
बैड
pace.
ड्राइविंग इज ड्राइविंग.
Yeah.
It's not
I
bad
mean,
driving.
yeah, correct. Yeah.
But dude, Om Shanti Om, I went to watch Om Shanti Om.
Yes.
Baller of a time, dude.
फिर से शाहरुख आएगा?
हाँ? नहीं शाहरुख नहीं आया. But baller of a time. मेरे साथ में एक मैं अकेले गया था देखने. तो मेरे साथ में एक 2-3 लड़कियां आई हुई थी. एंड बैठने से लाइक मैं
Wait,
बैठा.
तू अकेले
अकेला
गया
गया था ना तेरे बाजू में 2-3
मेरे
लड़कियां
हाँ
बैठी थी.
साइड में
Like
2-3
random
लड़कियां
strangers.
बैठी हुई
okay.
थी. ठीक है. एंड मूवी स्टार्ट होने वाली एंड देन शी गोज
You are
लाइक
just fueling the rumors that say that Snail देख के जाता है कौन सा थिएटर बुक्ड है.
नहीं
कौन सा.
ठीक है.
इसका स्नेल एज एन ऐप लिखता है 3 लड़कियां बाजू में बैठी हुई हैं.
the fucking chances that he goes alone and 3 women come and sit next to
अबे
him.
भाई आप बहुत गलत बात पे फोकस कर रहे हो. स्टोरी मेरी आगे अलग जा रही है. ठीक है.
हाँ, ठीक है,
तो
ठीक है, बताओ, बताओ,
when the
बताओ.
movie starts,
So
so
the woman asked him, "Are you Shah Rukh Khan?" Wow, Snail's like, "Yeah, I am Shah Rukh Khan."
so this girl's like so this girl is like कि very कि don't mind. हाँ मुझे ये पूरी फिल्म याद है. मैं साथ साथ में डायलॉग्स बोलूंगी तो प्लीज आप इरिटेट मत होना. मैंने कहा बहन तुझे पता नहीं तू किससे बात कर रही है. अभी जब स्टार्ट होगी
पहले तो सब्सक्राइब कर फिल्मी वाला.
अभी तो जब स्टार्ट होगी तो तेरे को पता लगेगा कि तू मुझसे इरिटेट होने वाली है. मैं तुझसे इरिटेट नहीं होने वाला.
And that's how they fell in love. They were just literally finishing each other's.
बट नहीं भाई वो
Nobody said sentences. What the fuck, guys?
Each other's ohms.
बट भाई genuinely like there was like moments जब goosebumps type आ रहे थे.
What was the
picture
most
देख.
fun? The most fun part must have been the
song, the song.
Yeah.
Dude, so गाने में दो जगहों पे सबसे ज्यादा cheering हुई थी. Would you want to make a guess कि कौन से 2 stars पे सबसे ज्यादा cheering हुई थी?
एक तो सलमान.
Kajol and Salman.
काजोल एंड सलमान. भाई
Yeah.
काजोल आई and people started hooting and फिर सलमान आया. People were like सलमान भाई आ गए. मैंने कहा भाई मजा ही. I think anywhere you go Salman receives
Yeah.
that
Love, yeah.
that
Which is why
reaction.
it's such a pity he doesn't give a shit anymore. Like imagine the
भाई people will go crazy. अभी गालवान में बैटल ऑफ गालवान में he is reuniting with गोविंदा, no?
Oh really?
Yeah.
Govinda is in that movie.
Govinda is in the film. Yes.
गोविंदा क्या कर रहा है?
He's playing one of the soldiers.
Is it?
Do you remember that phase जब गोविंदा ने यहाँ मूंछ रखी हुई थी?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
That was apparently for Galwan.
Oh, is that why when he shot himself in the leg?
He was
He's like, I guess it's the
practicing
battle
for the film.
battle of home.
By the way, what's the and we swear we'll get to Ranbir Kapoor very soon, but what's the situation on it? Is he divorced now?
No.
No, still.
वो उन्होंने बोला तो है
Yeah,
सुनीता जी
वो
ने
ज़्यादा-
कि अगर भगवान भी नीचे आ जाए तो मेरा मुझे और गोविंदा को
Oh,
अलग नहीं
really?
कर सकते.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And Govinda's like, please भगवान कुछ तो करो, उठा ले रहे देवा.
ब्रो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता ये लोग आपस में बात क्यों नहीं करते कुछ भी करने से
हाँ,
पहले.
through
तुम लोग
journalist.
आपस में बात नहीं करते हो क्या?
Bro, मतलब अभी this सुनीता जी went to a podcast and she's like कि गोविंदा सुपरस्टिशन में पड़ गया है, एक पंडित जी को 2-2 लाख 3-3 लाख रुपए की पूजा कराता रहता है, कुछ भी पैसा खर्चता
या
रहता है, etc.
मैम आप इसी घर से आ रहे हो आप.
And I'm like भाई तुम घर से बात करके आओ ना. And bro वो बोला and then वहां से गोविंदा अलग अपने घर से
हाँ.
apology वीडियो निकाल रहा है कि I'm so sorry. Bro गोविंदा मतलब loved him.
Oh well. Let's get to what we actually have to get to.
Basically, you're saying Galwan is partner part 2.
Partner part 2. Bro part 2 से again we will get to रणबीर. Part 2 से मेरे को एक चीज रियलाइज हुई, अभी जो हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीते the women's world cup, bro it's out and out script for Chak De India 2.
मतलब अगर किसी को बनाना हो.
coach
I mean, Amol Muzumdar, very talented cricketer
Yeah.
who never played
For
got
India.
chance to play for
Yeah.
India. Not exactly the Kabir Khan story.
of course not,
Yeah.
but then you know
But
कि
it's
मैं
We
बहुत-
should
Usually,
stop saying every.
you can make some tweaks.
When we won the T20 World Cup, people were like, oh, Rahul Dravid just like Kabir Khan. Now women's team has, oh, Amol Muzumdar just
So
like Kabir Khan.
Rahul
But there are
Dravid का
definitely
ये
more
कि-
parallels.
Bro, राहुल
Yeah.
द्रविड़ के तो ज्यादा पैरेलल्स हैं एक्चुअल में.
कहाँ भाई कौन गद्दार लिख दिया था राहुल
अरे
द्रविड़
गद्दार
के?
नहीं लिखा था.
अरे
but
पर-
2007 वर्ल्ड के बाद
हाँ,
पुतले जलाए थे
पता
उसके.
है.
आप तो बड़े हो गए मुझसे, देखा होगा अपने आंखों से.
हाँ बहुत याद है मेरे को.
तो वही
बांग्लादेश
है.
से हार गए थे.
बांग्लादेश से हार के ग्रुप स्टेज में बाहर हो गए थे. वो उसके पुतले जलाए गए थे, धोनी के पुतले जलाए गए थे.
पुतला तो जब तक इंडिया में तुम्हारा पुतला नहीं जला मतलब
तो
तुम क्या
पर-
क्या
पर तू-
स्टार हुए?
But you understand, you know, it's definitely that's
No, I would say Amol Muzumdar then is more deserving of that Kabir Khan title. That great cricketer, impeccable Ranji.
हाँ, never
career,
got a chance to
never got a chance
play
to
for India.
yeah.
कोच बना. women's team
Yeah, women's team
को-
तो सबसे बड़ा common
कम
factor
सबसे
है.
बड़ा कॉमन
हाँ.
फैक्टर है. एंड दिस women's team this was the third final 2005 में नहीं 2017
11 नहीं 13 मेरे ख्याल से. 17.
एक तो 17 था
हाँ.
आई रिमेम्बर. और आई थिंक वन वाज 2005.
अच्छा.
17 वाला तो भाई 17 तो वाज अ हार्ट ब्रेक. एंड हाउ 8-9 रन से आ रहे थे डूड. और एक कुछ 120s में ही था टाइटल जो अपने को चेज करना था. इंग्लैंड में हम चेज नहीं कर पाए थे. मिथाली राज का फाइनल वर्ल्ड कप था वो शायद.
बड़ा आप जीत चुके हैं.
बट हम जीत चुके हैं.
okay, guys. हम बादल पे पाँव से हम थोड़े जमीन पे आ जाते हैं.
हाँ.
Ranbir.
रणबीर कपूर.
Okay, let's get to it. How do you want to do this episode?
So go film है film.
जैसे हमने ऋतिक रोशन का किया था हॉल ऑफ फेम. a lot of people
Please check out that episode. Very fun episode.
yes a lot of people got in touch and they were like भाई रणबीर का एपिसोड करना चाहिए, अजय देवगन का एपिसोड करना चाहिए, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो वी थॉट
करना तो हमें
बहुत कुछ चाहिए पर कहाँ ही कर रहे हैं. तो अच्छा एक लाइक लोग कहते हैं कि शाहरुख का जो आई एम द लास्ट ऑफ द स्टार्स स्टेटमेंट है
बोल दो.
उसको अगर कोई
टॉप कर सकता
टॉप कर
top
सकता
up
है
कर
दैट्स रणबीर.
No.
Do you think Ranbir, like when Shahrukh says I'm the last of the stars, Ranbir can actually be the last of the stars?
I think that nobody can really nobody knows the future. Okay, so the kind of celebrity or fame that Shah Rukh has that may not be seen ever again.
Okay,
But there's definitely going to be a version of that maybe Ranbir does or maybe someone else does. It may not be an actor even who gets that kind of fame. It might be someone from the YouTube space or someone who goes that way.
Probably like by the name of Filmy Golada.
Yeah, the three Filmy Colada stars
Yeah, of course.
will come out of the darkness.
And
and
वो
show
जैसे
Shah
उसने
Rukh.
मन्नत पे एक गैलरी लगाया अपन 3 लगा लेंगे.
हमारे 3 मन्नत साइड बाय साइड ऑन बैंडस्टैंड.
और अब वो हाथ वो बाहें खोलता है, हम लोग आएगा अंतरिक्ष बोलेगा हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बैंडस्टैंड गाइस.
लोग नीचे से रिपीट करेंगे मेरी लाइन. Nice.
मैं तो ऑलरेडी बैंड्रा में रहता हूँ guys. I'm already
हाँ,
preparing.
आपको तो बस
Yeah.
वॉकिंग स्टेज
Oh, nice.
वॉकिंग उस
You
पे
have to
जाना
change
है.
houses. Yeah, down the lane.
No, but I was thinking, so Ranbir has been in the industry, what, 18 years now?
Yeah, 2007.
God damn.
2007 was
18 years
Savaria.
already?
18 years. So,
And bro, exactly 18 years. 9th नवंबर को रिलीज हुई थी
हाँ,
सांवरिया.
सावरिया और ओम शांति ओम
साथ में रिलीज हुए थे. And I think we are sitting on what?
7th.
8th
7th of
or 8th,
November.
yeah.
Yeah. So, Shah Rukh 18 years into his career was already a mega star, right? Around
Yeah,
2000.
as we established, 90s
in the last
was the
in the last
best
episode, yeah. So, if you do like that neck to neck comparison, I don't think Ranbir is anywhere as famous as Shah Rukh was in 2009 or 2010.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Okay,
agree.
fair, yeah.
So, but yeah, I think definitely Ranbir has his own following. और अभी रणबीर की कोई भी पिक्चर रिलीज हो, it's guaranteed to
Yeah,
do
yeah,
well.
it's a, yeah.
But शाहरुख लेवल वाला नहीं है यार.
But there's also like, the thing is, I think after a certain level of fame,
Yeah.
like there's only incremental increases. Because
But
see,
so do
they're
you
all
think-
already household names.
That's what
you
I'm
know?
saying. You think Ranbir has hit that peak?
I think a certain, like, not, you're right, he's not at the
Yeah,
Shah Rukh level.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, he's not.
But I think he can still, like, let's say 10 years from now when Shah Rukh is in his 70s.
Yeah.
That
70s?
time- yeah, he's turned 60, right?
अब
In
तो
10 years.
70s अच्छा in 10 years
10 years.
हाँ,
I'm
हाँ,
saying.
शाहरुख is
सुन
in-
लेना
हाँ,
थोड़ा
हाँ,
पॉडकास्ट
हाँ,
जो
हाँ,
कर रहा
हाँ,
है.
sorry.
मैं कह रहा हूँ 10 साल में जब शाहरुख अपने 70s में होगा, that time Ranbir will be in his what 40s.
Yeah.
50s
50s. So at that time he will still be considerably young. So at that time maybe his stardom will be at absolute
its peak.
I don't
Could
think I think Animal पे peak कर गया था वो.
I think you never know, man.
But
He
Animal
needs-
Park.
Yeah, Animal Park, you never know, man. What if
अभी
it's
तो
a
उन्होंने
banger?
ट्रिलॉजी कर दिया है.
तीसरा क्या है?
वो बताएंगे हमें.
Zoo.
Animal Zoo.
Animal Zoo.
Jurassic Zoo.
Yeah. Animal Instinct होगा. Instinct.
बहुत सारे animals.
Yeah. But yeah,
But
he's by and large one
The
of
next gen Shahrukh.
Man, I actually, what I would like to see is I would like to see Ranveer reach a level of
शाहरुख सलमान.
Shah Rukh Salman. I want that to be the case. And maybe Vicky be
मुझे
the third
लगता है आई
one.
थिंक शाहरुख सलमान वाला स्टारडम रीच करना पॉसिबल ही नहीं
Possible
है.
up to, I
हाँ, वो
think
नहीं
because
है.
of how the internet is.
Yeah.
I
that
think
is-
वो अपना सब
yeah.
like I'm sure जो अमिताभ के टाइम 70s अमिताभ को देखा होगा, उनको शाहरुख की स्टारडम इतनी नहीं लगती होगी, right?
जिन्होंने राजेश खन्ना का देखा
हाँ,
है
उनको
उनको
वो ऐसा
तो
लगता
कुछ
है,
लगता ही नहीं है ब्रो. राजेश खन्ना के उस पे लिटरली हावड़ा ब्रिज को वो हो गया था कि भाई यहाँ शूटिंग हटाओ नहीं तो हावड़ा ब्रिज हैंडल नहीं कर पाएगा इतनी भीड़. जब
क्या
वो
बात कर रहा है?
हाँ जब वो वाला
हावड़ा ब्रिज पे कभी जाऊंगा नहीं, पर से पता
नहीं नहीं
क्या
मेरे
भीड़ की
सपनों
वजह
की
से
रानी.
नहीं भाई हावड़ा ब्रिज पे वो शूट किया था ना चिंगारी
Oh,
कोई भड़के. सो apparently that's a very famous story where this shoot was supposed to happen in the middle of the night because काका आ रहे हैं should not be a news because the moment it goes out भीड़ आ जाएगी बहुत
Oh,
ज़्यादा.
crazy.
सो आई थिंक पुलिस कंट्रोल ने ये न्यूज़ लीक हो गई ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज अगेन राजेश खन्ना आ रहा है कैसे लीक नहीं होगा ना. तो वो लीक हो गई एंड दे हैड टू स्टॉप द शूट. या आई थिंक शूट हो नहीं पाया था बिकॉज आई हैव रेड समवेयर वेयर उन लोग को ये हो गया था कि सर इतनी भीड़ अगर हावड़ा ब्रिज पे चढ़ गई तो शायद हावड़ा ब्रिज भी हैंडल ना कर पाए. हो सकता है वो उस टाइम के पुलिस वाले का एग्जैजरेट करने का तरीका होगा कि इतनी भीड़ आ गई है. ऑब्वियसली सच में थोड़ी गिर जाएगा हावड़ा ब्रिज बट इस लेवल तक अनकंट्रोलेबल भीड़ आ गई थी जब राजेश खन्ना की शूटिंग हो रही थी उधर.
Oh, dude.
एंड इट्स फेमस व्हेन राजेश खन्ना की तबीयत खराब होती थी तो लिटरली प्रोड्यूसर्स और राइटर्स जान के अपनी बीमारियां फेक करके उसी फ्लोर पे कमरा ले लेते थे और खन्ना साहब के पास जाते थे बस ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लो सर एक बारी. वो बेचारा वो तबीयत ठीक कराने आया है स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लो सर एक बारी.
I imagine the cops in Bengal going, hey, हावड़ा वालों, सुनो राजेश खन्ना जी आने वाले हैं. Like, कौन आ रहा है? अरे तो निकल जाओ यहाँ से. They're like, that's how they told everyone that Rajesh Khanna was coming. Genius. Oh, anyway, let's find. And what do you तूने बोला? Did you say what do you think the reason is?
Yeah, the how the audience has evolved, how the accessibility is there, how social media has changed the game of stardom altogether.
Yeah.
So वो सब चीजें I think
And also, what will matter, right? I think over the course of like the next 10 years or so, no, it is inevitable that India and Indian filmmakers and the Indian industry and maybe in the government starts really putting in money into opening more screens up. because we need that. Like abhi Shahrukh ka sorry Amir ka that discussion went viral where he's talking about that only like some 2 crore Indians have access to
To a
Theatres,
movie
to,
theatre.
to a movie theater or something like that. Some very low, like less than 2% of our population, something like that. Some crazy, like crazily low statistic.
Fair, yeah.
I was watching some video where China was till 2007 was also
Yeah.
going through this,
Yeah,
where they had like like lesser screen than even India, and now they have like more than double the
more than
screens
double the screens
of what India has. And that has made such a difference that in China right now is the biggest market. US
Yeah.
used to be the biggest market. Now China is the biggest market just because of accessibility and how large the population is. India being the largest populated country in the world, I think we have huge potential there.
Bro,
If that happens, and if during that time, see, I think that if that happens, right, in the next 10 years, during this time, if there are actors who hit it a certain level of, you know, they get a certain level of good movies out there, they will become stars. It's so Ranbir, I think, is very well placed to
Right
be
now.
there, to be in that running if that happens. But as of now, he's not at the Shah Rukh level. Yes. That's what
हाँ
I'd say.
मतलब
I
I
think- but
think
that'll be a
अभी
factor.
कुछ time और I think the next decade will play a very big role.
I would say, yeah. agreed.
Because अभी जो industry like as on the ground level also industry is going through a lot of changes. We really don't know what's
Yeah.
working, what's not working, hit and miss. एक चीज काम करती है तो सारे वही चीज करने लग जाते हैं. So अभी a lot of things are yet to be figured out. Finances, etc. etc. I think the next decade will decide कि इन दोनों का stardom कहाँ पहुंचता है.
yeah,
But
fair
I
enough.
still feel कि शाहरुख सलमान लेवल तक पहुंचना
तो
almost नामुमकिन
impossible ही
ही
लग
है.
रहा
हाँ.
है at this point. तो
Yeah,
impossible लग रहा है.
yeah.
Anyway, let's get to it. Let's get to why we are doing this episode. The Hall of Fame. Our aim is to basically come out of this episode and have the top 3 best Ranbir Kapoor
Three, no,
films.
five.
Three नहीं, five.
Top 5 best Ranbir Kapoor films without a doubt. 100% out there. Top 5 के लिए भी 3 तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना यार.
Fair, fair,
उसके
fair.
plus 2 कर देंगे. Take it, you get it. So plus 7 movies you gotta do. Or Ranbir Kapoor's. 5 movies of Ranbir Kapoor's. The best, okay? And these will be obviously the best, the only takes
As of
that matter.
2025.
Yeah.
अगर if you're
If you-
watching this in 2047,
Yeah.
you will be like, कि क्या जीती है लोग?
I think that will be more a commentary.
सारी बेस्ट पिक्चर 10 की 25 के बाद आई.
I think that will be more a commentary on us.
Yeah, you're still listening to us in 2047.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
सोचो उस टाइम पे मुझे मैसेज आता है YouTube रेवेन्यू का कि आपको एक रुपया और मिला है. आपको किसी ने देगा आपका वीडियो.
Should we start with it then? Savaria
Yeah, so
is
we'll
of course
mark,
famously.
as we go along his filmography, we'll mark it red for like out, yellow for
We'll come back to this.
debatable, and green
भाई,
for definitely.
मेरे पास कलर्स नहीं है, मेरे पास ब्लू पेन है.
पर लिखेंगे ना,
मैं बस
G-
टिक मार्क
G-
या क्रॉस करने वाला हूं मैं.
GRY.
Gray.
भाई मेरे पास टिक मार्क क्रॉस और डैश.
Or should we just do tick mark and cross, and then at the end we just take all the tick marks and then
चलो
shortlist
ठीक है
it?
कर लेंगे देख
What
लेंगे.
is the discussion is what I'm thinking. Why are we discussing how we gonna talk?
Because we should have done this before we
Yeah,
started.
what the hell, dude?
बट कोई बात
Obviously I was
नहीं.
gonna-
हम अपने व्यूअर्स को अपनी फैमिली की तरह समझते हैं तो हम
Yeah,
उनके
right.
सामने ही
समझ
डिस्कस
लो.
We're transparent.
We are very
Great
transparent.
episode. Okay.
Unlike democracy.
Cool.
Let's go. First
So-
movie, of course, Savaria,
2007 Savaria.
directed
Sanjay
by
Leela
the one, the
Bhansali.
only.
संजय लीला बंसाली.
Yes, also starring.
सोनम कपूर.
And-
सलमान भाई.
And-
रानी मुखर्जी.
Correct. Were there any other ants?
Not that I can think
Ranbir
of.
Kapoor's ass cheeks. Famously.
Famously, yes.
Famously.
Yes.
जब से तेरे
Banger album.
Yeah,
Oh,
great
excellent.
album.
Excellent
Dude,
album.
an album?
संजय लीला बंसाली ने
My
किया है
dad-
इसका म्यूजिक.
नहीं, Monty Sharma I think.
बंसाली ने किसका म्यूजिक किया?
Every movie
After
after
that-
Every movie after.
Yeah,
Savaria,
it is
yes,
over.
you're right.
So my dad has never seen this movie. Okay,
What?
I've never seen Savaria, which
Okay.
is fine. It's totally fine. But,
It's a very good film.
my dad is not gonna watch a movie about.
What, Two
About
Lovers?
What? Two Lovers,
Is
yeah.
Rani Mukherjee like an?
Okay, yeah, so she's a prostitute. So,
So-
what? So what? There
My
are
dad-
prostitutes in many movies.
So my dad doesn't watch those movies. That's what I'm trying to say.
गंगूबाई
about-
नहीं देखी अंकल ने.
हाँ?
गंगूबाई नहीं देखी अंकल ने.
चामेली नहीं
Obviously
देखी.
not, dude.
चांदनी मार नहीं देखी.
नहीं, ऐसी चांदनी बार देखी. But the actual
उमराव
Chandni
जान
Bar-
नहीं देखी.
But he's seen the actual Chandni Bar, not the movie.
Bro, चांदनी बार reminds
देवदास
me-
नहीं देखी.
चांदनी बार reminds me, तब्बू की एंट्री जब हुई ओम शांति ओम में, there were a lot of she's so gorgeous.
Yeah, man, they are all correct.
तेरे को आसपास के सारे तेरे एक्सप्रेशंस सुनाई दे जाते हैं क्या? टबू सो अमेजिंग.
इधर बगल में बैठ के बोल रहे थे लोग.
Oh, Saif Ali Khan's nose. Oh my god. Oh, Dharmendra's dancing. Oh, how does he do that? Amazing.
So Savaria, tick mark or cross?
यार
Dude,
I know
obviously cross.
No, मतलब I know it will not make the
Yeah.
cut, but
Yeah,
then
I
I
think-
still feel it's not a right away cross. I like the film.
Even I like Savaria.
Oh, I think it's very. I think it's missable, dude, as a movie. I don't think it's like up there as a great SLV movie also, as a great Ranbir movie also, or Sonam has done only 1 or 2 good movies. So maybe.
But I think अगर हम यार पता नहीं मतलब I know Hall of Fame में
Savaria we can keep like
dash
out,
कर दो,
out.
dash
अभी
कर
like
दो,
out.
dash
Dash
कर
कर
दो,
दो.
dash
पर बाद में निकलने ही वाला है.
हाँ पता है मुझे.
क्यों कर रहे
ना
हो?
बाद में फिर
What
आएंगे ना.
ये
What is
We
this?
can debate that
हाँ,
later.
What is this for?
दिल को बहलाने के लिए गालिब ये ख्याल
ख्याल
अच्छा
अच्छा
है.
है.
चलो ठीक.
By the way, in Savaria, there is one lodge that he goes to. But if you haven't seen Savaria, it's set in an imaginary place. And that lodge is called Momin Lodge.
Oh wow.
So, yeah.
क्या रेट है?
क्या हुई रहा है? हाँ, शर्म नहीं आती? रानी मुखर्जी दिख रहा था.
लॉज का मालिक से पूछ रहा हूँ.
My dad can never visit Moment Lodge.
Anyway, so after the
ये 2007 का होटल डिसेंट है.
Owned by Abbas Mia.
oh, by the way, the new movie that's come out, Haq with Imran Hashmi.
Haq, yes.
His name is Abbas in that movie, and he goes on marrying multiple women.
एंड इधर देखो बेचारे की एक नहीं हो
एक नहीं हो
रही. अंकल इतने परेशान है कह रहे इससे अच्छा तो
He
डेंटिस्ट
goes
बन
around
जाता.
marrying multiple women.
Yeah, that's what the movie is about.
भाई
Imran
he
Hashmi's
just
character?
wants to marry another woman which apparently क्यों कह रहा हूँ मैं which is allowed in under Sharia law.
Yeah, correct.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
obviously.
मतलब वो बहुत complicated है. You have to the methodology of divorcing and how
हाँ.
that is under the Indian Constitution. Go watch Haq.
Yeah, that's
Because सादा हक ऐथे रख. Again Ranveer film bro no okay.
wow,
But-
wow,
After the mixed reaction of Savaria,
Savaria.
yes.
the next movie he does, also another banger album, but this kind of gives rise to the lover boy Ranbir image.
Bachna
Bachna
eh
eh Hasino. I think we can all say fun movie, but
Fun.
Hall of Fame तो
Definitely
बिल्कुल
not.
भी
But
नहीं.
dude,
definitely
but
not.
as a movie, I like it. I find it more fun than Savaria. As a
why are
movie.
comparing apples to oranges, man.
What do you mean? It's the first,
Where the
second movie.
oranges you had?
It's the first, second movie of the same actor. Of course, it's gonna be compared.
Bro नहीं कहाँ से
Yeah.
कंपेयर कर रहे हो उसमें वो छोटी उंगली पे नचाएगी तुझे.
He's a small town girl. So it was Bipasha, Minisha
बिपाशा
Lamba,
मिनीशा कोइराला and मनीषा लंबा
not
sorry.
Koirala.
मनीषा कोइराला कह रहा हूँ.
मम्मी की उम्र
And
की.
दीपिका.
And Deepika, oh yeah.
Ahista.
This is that song ना वो खुदा जाने
लेके जिसमें भाई इतनी पतली कमर को वो ऐसे करके लेट जाता है भाई कसम से.
किसकी पतली कमर?
दीपिका की
अबे
भाई.
रणबीर की.
रणबीर की कमर.
भाई रणबीर की कमर भाई.
हाँ भाई.
क्या बात कर रहे हो देखा या नोटिस नहीं करी.
मैं रणबीर को नहीं देख रहा था
भाई
उस गाने में.
इतनी पतली कमर भाई ऐसा करके वो ऐसा लेट जाता है मुझे ऐसा लगता था भाई बैलेंस आउट हो जाएगा तो गिर जाएगा नीचे
Nice.
यार.
Actually, the song should have been Kamare.
Fun movie, but definitely not Hall of Fame worthy. So after Bachna Hai Hasino, he moves on to something that would become a staple of Ranbir movies.
Working
हाँ,
with Ayan
Where,
Mukherjee.
unfortunately, that also. But the lost Ranbir, who has to find himself.
Oh, yes.
Bro that was always the case with Ranveer
No,
films.
but first two movies that has not happened. No.
Bachna Hai
Bachna
Hasino
Hasino.
also.
Yeah, but he's finding him through women.
That is also the case in Wake Up Sid.
We've all done
One
that,
woman.
guys.
One woman.
So Wake Up Sid, 2009. I would say this is the quintessential Ranbir Kapoor movie.
सीख लिया
Aisha,
अच्छा मैंने तुम्हारा कुर्ता धो लिया. प्रॉब्लम क्या तुम्हें? Why are so many problems?
क्या हो गया अगर मैंने पूरे फ्लैट की माँ बहन कर दिया तो.
Dad, can I buy this awesome supercar?
बट मैंने अंडा बना लिया.
I just remember.
Dude,
the
I can't figure myself out,
Yeah.
man. So
Hey,
this
man,
is green for me.
Man, I love Marine Drive. It's so great,
Yeah.
no, Aisha.
Why?
There's general
I think-
lines. I don't know.
Is this the film that has romanticized Marine Drive the most?
No. There are every other movie. Munna
one
Bhai
of
also.
them.
A lot of movies.
This is one of the movies which is also is responsible for bringing these youngsters to Bandra in the gullies of Bandra. Because Ranwar village का ये जो aesthetic
वो
photo
पूरा
cafes
camera लेके.
वो पूरा
हाँ.
इसमें Ranwar
So
यही
also
था.
in this movie, right? This movie came after Three Idiots. If I'm right in saying that.
I think the same year, 2009.
Same year, 3 Idiots.
Yeah,
So this movie had a very so 3 Idiots had a line,
yeah.
okay, which was के जब दोस्त फेल हो तो दुख होता है, जब पर दोस्त फेल हो जाए, जब पास नहीं फर्स्ट आ जाए तो और दुख होता
और ज्यादा दुख होता है.
है. In this movie, they played that in the plot where Ranbir gets very angry at his friend, played by Namit Das, right?
कि पास हो गया.
कि तू पास कैसे हो गया? And he gets pissed and he gets actually picks a fight. It's very
हाँ,
funny.
क्योंकि
But yeah.
मेरे पास तेरी तरह अमीर बाप नहीं है.
हाँ.
Is what I'm guessing he would have said.
Yeah, I think it
Yeah.
must have implied that.
Namit Das and Shikha Talsania are the two friends.
The
that
two
he
friends,
plays,
yes,
yeah.
correct. Yeah.
And Konkona, who looks very pretty.
Oh,
And
Shikha
also
just was the actor who got, wasn't she in Bad Bollywood who got kicked by
No,
Freddy's
that
character?
was Priyam Saha.
Oh shit.
Guest
okay.
on Has It Aged Well. Check out
Is
that.
it? Oh, okay. Check it out, man. Wow, that's cool.
मुझे समझता
ओ हमने ओम शांतियों वाला एपिसोड किया था उसके साथ.
ओह नाइस.
wow.
Yeah.
मुझे एक बात तो अब तक प्लग क्यों करते हो आप?
क्या है YouTube पे क्यों ना करूं भाई?
Well,
अपना
yeah, it's
काम
all
plug
cumulative
करना
for
चाहिए.
it's all cumulative for him only, man.
Nice.
Exactly, man.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Check out Pop Rap, Justice all that you can
So-
still check out. It's all
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
भाई वेक अप सिट मैं तो ये तो मैं ही हूँ. तो मेरी ही कहानी है.
आपको 3 Idiots ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट करेगी वेक अप सेट?
वेक अप सिट ब्रो.
3 Idiots और वेक अप सेट?
3 Idiots is more
Idiots.
for people who are like lived a hostel life, who have
Yeah,
struggled
I
all of that.
resonated. I
was
love both
more
of
of a
those.
loner. So for me, Sid was like the.
But you were never rich.
That's true.
And you're not named Sid.
Yeah.
That was also.
And
true.
you're not as hot as Ranbir.
Yeah.
Also, I don't have
Yeah.
a Konkona in my life.
Also you
Neither do you have a lovely apartment in South Bombay.
Neither was I in Bombay.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and also I've heard you hate waking up in the morning.
So did Sid, by the way. That's why the movie. But this is 100% green for me. This is Hall of
Yeah,
Fame.
I think रणबीर के अगर उसकी बात, I still prefer coming of the age में अगर मैं movies में जाता हूँ तो my top spot is always gonna go to Lakshya. But I think if you talk about Ranbir's filmography, I think this one makes the cut.
Yeah, fair enough.
Matrix.
I think for sure it
Okay,
stays
so
in
I
the
think
list.
we have our first entry
For sure stays in the list.
for.
But
yeah.
just coming to the between 3 Idiots and Wake Up Sid, I think as a coming of age film or as a film of that is around this men growing up, whatever.
Yeah.
I think 3 Idiots. I find it as a better film.
So there is a
More
criticism of
rewatchable
this
film.
movie, right? That not much. He doesn't learn much.
Yeah, correct.
Like essentially, he just finds a job
And
learns
learns
how
to
to make an egg, and that's about.
Photography.
He still falls back on the privilege that he has. It's not
Oh,
like
yeah.
he's learned
Yeah.
much about his life.
That's true.
And also there are very convenient things where कोंकणा
उसको
को
इतने
अच्छा
सस्ते
खासा
में इतने
घर
अपार्टमेंट
मिल जाता है.
भाई मुझे आज तक नहीं मिल रहा है भाई.
आज तक तो नहीं, आजकल तो नहीं मिलेगा.
मतलब ही नहीं बन रहा
भूल ही
भाई.
जाओ.
कल ही मुझे नए फ्लैट की रजिस्ट्री के लिए जाना है. जेबें फट गई हैं मेरी भाई, पर
So,
मेरे से सिक्योरिटी नहीं
How
निकल रही.
how old were we when Wake Up Sid came
भाई
out?
I was 12.
I was 21.
12, 21.
I was probably 16, 17
Yeah.
then maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you were in school.
I was in college.
Married almost. Married age.
Marriageable
Marriageable age.
But
Why?
also
What was your point?
No, I'm just asking like where we were in life because this is the kind of movie that will impact you.
Yeah, it did.
Whenever you're younger.
I mean, I'm here just because
Yeah.
Ayan. Oh man.
I've
the
still-
only good film that you've made.
जब War
still
2
not grown
release
up.
हुई.
I've still not grown up, because of you.
Okay,
I saw Ayan the other day.
You told me. Durga Puja.
Durga Puja, yes.
Okay, so from Wake Up Sid, Ranbir then moves on to an out-and-out comedy.
Ajab Prem.
Which is directed by the same director who made Andaz Apna.
Rajkumar Santoshi.
Yes. Quiz chal raha hai yaar. Yes, I'm talking.
You guys are completing each other's sentences at this point.
Sentences.
Ajab Prem की गजब कहानी guys. Where do we stand? Ajab Prem.
स्टार्टिंग
Again,
में मुझे उतनी
fun.
अच्छी नहीं लगी थी वेरी ऑनेस्टली.
Yeah.
जब आई थी, जब मैंने पहली बार देखी थी तो मुझे लाइक ठीक
Same.
है ब्रो,
Yeah.
इट्स फाइन. बट ओवर द इयर्स it still isn't the film that I randomly put on to watch and like chill. But in hindsight I think उतनी बुरी भी नहीं थी जितनी मुझे लगती थी.
I think this film has benefited from the decline in comedies in Hindi.
Exactly.
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
That's exactly
yeah.
right.
Yeah, in comparison
Yeah.
to what shit we get
Yeah,
today, we're like,
exactly.
Ajab Prem की गजब कहानी.
Talking about shit comedies that we are gonna get, let's talk about Masti 4 guys, which is gonna release.
But why are we talking about Masti
That's
4?
true, that's
Yeah.
true, dude. Bro, I think
What if it's actually really
bro,
funny?
I'll tell you funny. So the reason why I
Abbas,
brought
no chance.
bro,
no
bro,
chance.
the reason why I brought it up, I'll tell you. Someone tweeted, ठीक है, so they released the trailer, right? So someone tweeted कि guys, it's 2025, why are we still making movies like this, objectifying women? ये 3 अंकल ऐसे लग रहे हैं, etc etc. Bro, Milab Zaveri actually replied to that tweet and said कि पहले पिक्चर देखो फिर ओपिनियन बनाओ. There is a very strong women's POV in the film. You will get to know. I'm like, why?
Yeah, from a woman's POV, how does sexual harassment look?
ट्रेलर में लिटरली डायलॉग है. एक बहुत ही एजेड आता है बंदा आफ्ताब शिवदसानी के पास, who's apparently a doctor, and he's like, मैं जवान लड़कियों के साथ सेक्स करना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है. एंड देन ही गोस, आफ्ताब गोस कि अरे पर सर इस ऐसे वो करोगे तो मर जाओगे, ठीक है, तो जान चली जाएगी. तो देन ही गोस, तो मर जाने दो साली को. And then this man is saying there is a very strong women's POV in the film.
Women can also be turkey, man. That's
And the POV is कि ऐसी पिक्चर नहीं होनी चाहिए कभी भाई. And it is quite strong as a POV.
Bro, I've seen the first Masti when it came out. I don't even remember.
Bro, the first Masti was not this.
the first Masti was. I remember laughing a lot. and having a
First
good
Masti
time
was
with my
actually like calling out this behavior, and end में सारे like all the
First
पति.
Masti में है ना वो गाना
friend. चैन खुलेगी. भाई.
नहीं, बारिश
that
वाला.
sad song.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. रुख जिंदगी ने मोड़ लिया.
Yeah, so it's
कैसे.
actually it's actually a fun concept, the first one. Masti 2 से they lost the plot.
अच्छा, okay.
मस्ती 1 पे रोक देना चाहिए था उनको. बहुत जल्दी रोक देना चाहिए.
अजब प्रेम की कसम कहानी, guys.
Yes, yes.
Where do we?
I mean, it's a fun
think
movie, but
Hall of Fame
doesn't
worthy?
belong in Hall of Fame.
हॉल ऑफ फेम नहीं है. आई थिंक
अच्छा, cool.
वेरी, मतलब ये तो डैश वाली भी नहीं है. एवरेज बैंगर एल्बम दो.
But
Yeah,
again, dude, I find all of these movies better than Savaria, I must say.
अरे why are you comparing
हाँ,
this
आप
to
saying
Savaria,
no,
bro?
I'm
I'm
इसको
saying in the
सावरिया
sense,
से.
I'm saying in the sense के
Let's
you guys have dashed that while you're crossing all these other movies which are
But then
better.
we'll compare Savaria to like other dramas that will come
I'm just saying
in
it's-
the
I'm just
future.
saying.
No.
I'm just
Anyway, so moving on. His next performance is one of my personal favorite performances of Ranbir Kapoor. It's a little film called Rocket Singh Salesman.
Bro,
of
love
the
it.
Year.
Absolutely
I
love it.
love it.
Recently
Love it.
rewatched it and really liked it. I think this should be a dash for me. I think.
Yeah, dash. 100% dash. मतलब see, it's obviously not a full on green.
Yeah.
मुझे ये भी लगता है कि आगे हमने अभी इसको डैश किया, आगे जाके ये निकल जाएगी.
Most probably.
बट
yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक दिस इज वन ऑफ दोज फिल्म्स जिसको बहुत बहुत ज्यादा लाइमलाइट मिलना चाहिए था.
हाँ, नहीं, मिला नहीं. अभी
जो
भी
कि
मुझे
मिला
लगता है नहीं मिलता
अब
है.
हाँ, मतलब अभी भी
हाँ,
ना ये वो कॉन्वर्जेशन ये वो कॉन्वर्जेशन में आती है कि यार वो फिल्म देखी तूने, हाँ वो बहुत अच्छी है, बट यहीं पे फुल स्टॉप भी लग जाता है फिर.
Dude,
Nobody actually
Agreed. So I think like around the same time, no, I think of two movies together always whenever I think of this. Okay, firstly, Rocket Singh I saw in theaters with my mother. Me and my mom saw it in theaters. As a kid I was, and dude, it was great. It was such a fun time in theaters and such a unique, understated, very natural performance by an actor and the most of the cast. This movie came, if I'm not wrong, came out around the same time as Oye Lucky Lucky Oye. Okay, and both
Right.
these movies, no, kind of like have that new young kind of vibe that I really enjoy. And both movies I think did not get the limelight or the praise that they
Oye
should have.
Lucky Lucky Oye got enough praise.
think
and
much
limelight.
later.
Lucky
much
Lucky
later,
bombed
much
at
later.
the box
Yeah,
office
yeah.
because I think it was
Much later.
released a few days or weeks before the 26/11 attacks.
Oh.
So people just didn't want to go to movie theaters at that time.
अच्छा नहीं, बट मतलब I remember
Later on, it got a lot of
yeah.
काफी कल्ट बन गया था
काफी cult.
टू द पॉइंट कि जिसके ऊपर वो फिल्म बनी थी बंटी चोर, वो बिग बॉस में भी आया था.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ dude,
Oh, seriously?
bro, have you seen that clip?
No, I'm not.
That's a fucking crazy clip, dude. So
Wasn't
बंटी,
he kicked out the next day or something?
bro, I'll tell you what happens. ठीक है, so बंटी, so उसको बंटी चोर करके बोल रहे हैं सारे, ठीक है, and then but because he was a चोर,
उसकी
क्योंकि
identity
वो
वही
उस पे ही बनी है. ओए लकी लकी ओए, like अभय देओल is playing
Dude,
बंटी
great,
चोर in the
great
film,
movie,
ठीक
I
है.
love movie.
तो he comes and then he gets angry over the fact कि बंटी चोर क्यों बोल रहे हैं मेरे को, ठीक है, and then he starts abusing or damaging property and all of that.
Oh,
ठीक है, I'll tell you, he's like, तो फिर what happens is Big
तो
Boss
मेरा बंटी तोड़ बोलो,
नहीं,
बंटी
तो
चोर
सुन, नहीं बंटी बुलाओ ना,
पर
कह रहे
तोड़-
जब मैं
तोड़-
छोड़
तोड़
चुका
रहा
हूँ,
हूँ।
good attempt.
जब मैं छोड़
Thank you,
चुका हूँ
thank you, thank you, thank you.
चोरी and all, ठीक है,
Somebody
anyway,
noticed.
so Big Boss का वो डाइनिंग एरिया में बुला के पूरा ऐसा अनाउंसमेंट
बंटी जी
ठीक है,
आप क्यों तोड़ रहे
हाँ
हैं?
ठीक है, and then he
ऐसे-
goes,
ऐसे
yeah, and then he goes, नंदनी, ठीक है,
Correct, that becomes Big Boss tone.
ठीक है,
Correct.
ठीक है, तो एंड देन बंटी जस्ट लूजेस इट कि एक तो तुम मेरे को बंटी चोर बुला रहे हो, ऊपर से व्हेन आई एम ट्राइंग टू वॉइस द फैक्ट दैट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद इट, तुम यू आर स्कोल्डिंग मी ओनली, ब्रो ही लूजेस द फकिंग
So he shouts at
प्लॉट,
Big Boss.
ब्रो ही बिग बॉस अनाउंसमेंट करके बंद कर देता है एंड ही गोस, ठीक है, एंड देन ही वाज लाइक ए बिग बॉस, ए दरवाजा खोल, ए दरवाजा खोल, क्या बनाने बुलाया मेरे को, ये करने बुलाया मेरे को, ये करना है, वो करना है,
Then तो he's going
bro fully, and then Big Boss doesn't reply, तो what he starts doing, लोगों की सॉक्स निकाल के कैमरास पे लगाने लग जाता है, दिखे ही ना किसी को कुछ,
अब तो आना ही पड़ेगा फिर अंदर.
ठीक है, अब बोलना ही पड़ेगा, एंड देन ही इज लाइक बंटी आप हमसे बात करने के लिए कन्फेशन रूम में, लाइक नहीं आऊंगा बात करने, दरवाजा खोल, बाहर निकलने दे मेरे को, ब्रो लिटरली,
But that's going against your contract. You can't do that.
भाई आई डोंट थिंक उसको ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता
Bro,
होगा उस चीज
उसको
से
I
at
think
this
it's
point.
like some crazy amount that you have to pay, some like in crores.
I'm
if you
sure
go back on
ये
that
भी हो
contract.
सकता है कि सब स्क्रिप्टेड हो, who knows,
No, no, ये
हो सकता है
हो
स्क्रिप्टेड
सकता
हो सकता है ना हो, बट देन दिस वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग
Yeah, I
दैट
remember
हैपेंड,
this, yeah.
आज तक भाई वायरल होता है ये इंस्टाग्राम पे
इसमें-
रैंडमली कुछ महीनों में,
उसी सीजन में कसाब का लॉयर भी आया था ना, तो जब वो इंट्रो हुआ था ना,
remember this.
सबका इंट्रो होता है ना, जब घर में लोग आते हैं तो Kasab's lawyer was like the first or second entrant. So when people were coming, he was,
Kasab's lawyer can't dance and enter. By the way, his
bro,
entry
that
can't
was
be
a
on
whole
dance.
controversy. I'll tell you later
Oh, really?
about that out of house controversy.
Oh, crazy.
Anyway, so when people started coming, he started introducing everybody to everybody. तो बंटी also came. तो उसके बंटी के आने के बाद जब जो आ रहा था ना, तो Kasab's lawyer was like, इनसे मिलिए, ये एक्टर हैं, इनसे मिलिए, ये डांसर हैं, और ये है बंटी, इनकी स्पेशलिटी ये है कि ये चोर है.
Bro, yeah, something,
ऐसे बोलेगा तो यार.
this sorts riled him up.
But bro, that's your.
Yeah,
अरे
that's
but
what
he
he
was
was.
left it, no, like he's
What do you mean?
भाई उसने सजा काट ली, उसने सब हो गया, अब आप उसको ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते ना,
but
ये
if-
चोर है.
But if that's what you're known for, you will be known for that. So then finally, I'm keeping Rocket Singh as a dash right now. That's
possibility,
a
yeah,
maybe
yeah.
right now.
Possibility.
Maybe
मतलब
in the-
अगर हमें एनिमल निकालने का मन किया,
Hey.
Okay,
We'll
let's
get
see.
there.
Let's see.
Okay,
Okay.
moving on quickly from Rocket Singh, he does another next film he does is a political film called Rajniti.
oh bro,
Oh, bro, by
Prakash
the
Jha
way,
movie,
Rajniti.
it's not a Ranbir
It's
film.
not a
Fair,
Ranbir
fair.
film, yeah. Should we consider it? He's one of them.
Like okay, we can talk about the film, but I don't think this should go in Ranbir's Hall of Fame.
Definitely not.
Fun fact about Rajniti. I
करारा जवाब मिलेगा.
okay, fine. Good. Fun fact. That's very fun. I'm saying. My friend Kabir Rajab is the nephew of Anjum Rajab Ali.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and Kabir, when we were in architecture college together, and he used to stay in Anjum Rajab Ali's house, which was also like a part-time office for Anjum Rajab Ali. So he had like a room which was like a study, where he would come like spend a few hours if he had like some writing work to do, and then he would leave. And so like a few times I would be working at Kabir's house, okay, and we were working like drafting whatever architecture models or like just drawings or whatever, and we've been up the whole night, and early morning Anjum Rajab Ali shows up, okay, and he would like just go into the room, and at the time I didn't realize how big a name Anjum Rajab Ali is. Only then later on you realize, oh, anything that Prakash Jha writes
Yeah.
is co-written
Yes,
by
yes.
Anjum Rajab Ali. So
Yes,
like
yes,
anything
yeah.
like Rajniti, all the other things that Prakash Jha has done, amazing. So just a fun fact that I have like
Nice.
1 degree of separation from Anjum Rajab Ali.
You
Nice,
could
nice.
have like अगर तू थोड़ा हाथ पैर मारता तो शायद एक थोड़ा कैमियो भी मिल जाता राजनीति में. As an
राजनीति में तो
extra.
नहीं, वो तो already
As an
बन चुकी थी.
extra somewhere.
राजनीति तो already बन चुकी थी तब
Okay.
तक. पर
So I don't think Rajniti can be considered as one
But
of
Rajniti is a
Ranbir's-
good film in itself.
Very,
अगर आपने
very
नहीं
good film.
देखी है तो you can definitely.
Isn't it like
give a
based
watch.
on Mahabharata or something? Or
It is
yeah,
very loosely.
loosely.
Like, मतलब ऐसा बोला गया था कि
yeah, बोला था क्या था.
Also, by the way, इस फिल्म पे शुरू में बैन लगा था. You
हाँ
guys know why?
या बिकॉज हमारे हाथों की मेहंदी भी नहीं सूखी थी वाली जो स्पीच थी वो ट्रेलर में थी, या वन ऑफ द कटरीना बोलती है ये स्पीच, एंड वो ट्रेलर में थी या टीजर में थी, एंड देयर वाज अ कंट्रोवर्सी दैट कटरीना कैफ का
सोनिया.
जो कैरेक्टर है वो
Katrina
सोनिया
spoke with an accent and did
Yeah.
took a pallu, so Congressies were like,
कि
what?
ये इसके ऊपर बना हुआ है या
वो Leonardo DiCaprio वाला.
हाँ, also one of those films where Ranbir actually plays a negative tone character
Oh,
in the
okay.
in आपने देखी नहीं है?
It's a great tone,
नहीं,
yeah.
I saw
नहीं
parts of it very
proper
long
negative
ago.
मतलब as in he's
At the end you realize.
yeah
Acha, okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Cool. Moving on, the next movie he does was a movie with
So
Priyanka.
Rajniti should. It's a maybe.
No,
It's a no. Okay.
it's a no.
yes no
His next movie was a romantic film with Priyanka Chopra. It had a lot of hype, but didn't do well.
अनजान अनजाने
अनजाने.
banger album उतनी कुछ खास
ये
film
थोड़ा
नहीं है।
पैटर्न लग रहा है ना रणबीर के
हाँ.
उसमें banger
Bro,
album, okay
and
movie.
but I genuinely think songs make you the star.
Yeah, true.
I think
Yeah,
it's not about the films.
तू न जाने
Songs make you a star जो आगे क्योंकि पिक्चरें आपको उतनी याद रहे ना रहे आपको गाने हमेशा याद रहते हैं
जी.
तो आप पूरा पैटर्न देख लो चाहे आप राजेश खन्ना देवानंद हाँ क्या
Dude, for sure. Like.
अब इतनी देर से ऐसे कर रहे थे
I like-
लिस्ट
I like
रोक
good
के आप
point.
लाइक
I like good point.
Yeah.
Because if you compare Ranbir and Ranveer,
Yeah.
Ranbir definitely has a stronger
songs.
Songs, yes,
songs,
exactly.
audiography.
But Ranveer has अपना time आएगा, bro.
That's one
अपना
song.
time आएगा.
One song.
Okay, cool. I don't think Anjana Anjana is a
don't
debate,
know.
much of a debate. It's a
या
It's a very mediocre. film.
mediocre
या
film.
इवन आई मतलब वो उसके तो मुझे फिल्म ही नहीं पसंद
Okay.
ओके ओके फिल्म
Yeah.
Okay, then comes 2011.
Oh, and we win the World Cup.
We win the World Cup, and also Imtiaz Ali makes a film.
yeah.
Tamasha.
Rockstar.
The
Rockstar.
Oh, Rockstar. Wait, Rockstar came before Ye Jawani?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy, dude. Okay.
This is actually 2011-2012 back-to-back Ranbir bangers.
Yeah.
Ranbir wins the Best Actor Filmfare
I mean-
back-to-back.
This has to be firstly in the Hall of Fame. The only negative point for me is how bad Nargis Fakhri is in this movie as an actor. And like any scene she's in, the scene becomes lesser because she's in it. Because her acting is so bad. Like normally you would discount a new actor's acting unless it's this bad. You know?
Bro, I think a lot of people discounted the acting with Nargis Fakhri
did,
because
right? Yeah.
I think Nargis Fakhri was playing एक तरीके से also that character ना जो is the high hoity-toity.
Yeah.
But she didn't play that well, dude. That's what.
हाँ
But
मतलब
I think if I'm not wrong in saying this, a lot of people agree that Nargis Fakhri is the weakest part.
Oh yeah, that is obviously
Yeah.
मतलब वो तो all of us also would
Yeah,
agree.
sure.
So I don't like Rockstar.
At all.
No, I mean the music is great. There are
Mohit Chauhan, bro.
parts
Yeah,
of the film
arc
which
is
are
great.
parts of the film are really great.
Yeah.
I just never got the film when I watched it.
Also one of those films where they actually focused on the fact कि एक ही singer को पूरा
Album,
album
yeah,
देना
गाने
है
के
क्योंकि
लिए,
ये rockstar
yeah.
है तो
That was amazing, by the
Bro,
way.
very
What a
good.
thing for Mohit Chauhan, dude.
yeah dude
What an album
मोहित
Mohit Chauhan.
चौहान का भाई वापस से resurgence हो गया था उस फिल्म के बाद
Yeah, of course.
बहुत major
So as you said, like how you didn't like the film or you didn't get the film
Yeah.
or whatever.
how dumb were you actually
No, I get it.
just maybe I've just not been in love that crazy.
No, I get it. Like mine, I had a similar experience with Tamasha because people fucking are either die-hard Tamasha
Yeah,
fans
yeah.
or die-hard haters
Yeah.
of Tamasha
I would say like I would fall in like I don't like Tamasha
Okay,
much
so
at
for
all.
me, Rockstar is across. It's
oh
not-
no
I think it's a
for-
definite Hall of Fame.
definite Hall of Fame bro.
Both of you definite Hall of Fame?
100%
I would say,
100%
I would say.
Really?
100%
Okay,
man
fine.
100%
As of now,
हाँ ठीक
I'm
है.
saying not Abbas.
So far we only have two greens, definite.
Bro, Rockstar में I think there is literally not a single loophole when it comes to like loophole as in loophole नहीं मतलब
नहीं वैसे loopholes
वैसे ही
तो
हाँ वैसे story में मतलब loophole is not the right word कि मतलब argument for it not being in
You mean
Ranveer's Hall
shortcomings?
of Fame.
Shortcomings. Oh, okay.
I mean, there are better movies. I mean, there are good movies to come. Okay, let's
see,
okay.
let's see.
I'll
Okay,
make a
fair.
case for the
ठीक है.
next one. I think
Okay.
this next one for me is a definite Hall of Fame for him, which is Barfi,
Yeah, it is.
which
Yeah,
came out
It
in
is. It is.
2012.
It is. Of course, it is.
So yeah, Barfi is probably my most favorite after Wake Up Sid, most favorite Ranbir film. I think he totally kills it in this movie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No dialogues, completely physical acting.
Insane.
वो जो एक सीन है जो उसका बहुत पॉपुलर है जहाँ वो उसको बाहर मिलता है
Bro,
गाड़ी के पास.
That's
Yeah.
crazy. I think वो रणबीर वहां से पीक कर गया था. रणबीर ने आई थिंक उसके बाद पीछे मुड़ के सिर्फ शमशेरा में देखा है फिर उसके बाद
बेचारा शमशेर है.
So I think also Barfi is a very well made film. Priyanka Chopra also I think is great.
Yeah.
The way the movie is
Yeah.
shot, the music, everything. I know इस उसका वो बहुत
Crazy.
क्या कीजिए क्या चैपलिन और बस्टर कीटन के गैग्स उसने चोरी किए हैं जो भी किए हैं. But I think he's done it, remade it well. Yeah. So Antriksh, Barfi.
I agree. Like, Barfi is very good.
Buffy?
So Basu, right?
Yeah,
Anurag Basu.
Yeah.
I think Ranbir and Anurag Basu have like this
Good
a
chemistry.
very good chemistry.
Or
Their
did.
next movie, which we'll get to.
अनुराग बासु ने बोला था ना that Ranbir ruins other actors for you because he's such a delight to work with.
That makes I can buy.
And
that.
I've heard this from multiple people where
can buy that.
everybody praises Ranbir of how easy he is as an actor to work with.
Then he went and made Metro in Dino.
But that's a Basu problem.
Yeah, and then SLB used to hit Ranbir because he was that good an actor. Like इतना अच्छा acting करता है, शर्म नहीं आती, शर्म नहीं आती. That's what SLB does. According to Ranbir, that's Ranbir's words, man, not mine.
Not mine. Yeah.
But I would say this is a green.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Barfi is a
yeah.
green. Of course, Barfi is a green.
How
Bro.
do you even fight that, Abbas?
I'm not. I was fighting Rockstar.
Okay, fine. Next.
Okay.
इसका फेमसली रणबीर ने जब फिल्म फेयर एक्सेप्ट किया था तो उसने थैंक यू स्पीच साइन लैंग्वेज में दिया था.
Okay.
Is it
Sweet.
like
Yeah.
fully sign language?
Yeah.
Oh, so good. Okay.
Okay. Then comes Ayan Mukherjee's second film in 2013, which is Ye Jawani Hai
Jawani.
Diwani.
Oh, not a fan.
It's alright.
I really like this.
Not a
film,
fan.
actually.
Yeah?
Not a fan at all. हम इससे पहले सोच रहे थे कि एक टॉपिक करेंगे टॉक्सिक रिलेशंस, टॉक्सिक फ्रेंडशिप्स एटसेट्रा. इन बॉलीवुड आई थिंक दिस फिल्म हैज
Yeah.
all the toxic
That's fine,
relations
dude.
that
It's still a
Also,
great
would
film.
have.
next entry in Ranbir finding
It's still a
himself.
Bro, it's every film Ranbir finding.
Actually,
till
yeah,
now,
Rockstar is also
Rockstar
Ranbir
is also
finding
that.
himself.
Anjana
Anjana
is also
Anjani.
Anjana is also that. It's
but
true.
I would say like so I watched this movie like I think a year or two after it had already released. I didn't watch it in theaters when it went to cinema.
Okay.
And I remember like feeling like, dude, why did I not watch it in theaters? It was such a fun movie for me. I related to all the romantic beats, the songs, especially Ektara. What a song.
Sarah was wake up.
Oh, sorry, Ektara nahi.
Kabira.
Kabira. What a song. What a song. Sneh like यार
Yeah,
such
because
an easy
murder
mistake.
कर
हाँ,
देता,
bro.
Such an
channel
easy
पर
mistake.
report
Such an
करना
easy
चाहिए.
mistake.
इकतारा आप नहीं बोल सकते ये जवानी है दीवानी का गाना.
अरे but Ayan Mukherjee, both movies,
Yeah,
Ektara, Kabira,
so?
the vibe of the song is kind of similar. You get it, man.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
get
I
it.
do,
dude.
I
ये
do.
कोई
of
शान
course.
का वो गाना महबूबा वो महबूबा
हाँ, क्या
गाना
है,
यार?
कसम
Yeah,
से,
yeah,
मतलब.
exactly, good, you get it. But yeah, I think I really enjoy this movie, and even now, if it like is showing up on TV, I'll still watch it. I know Kirti, my wife, has a lot of problems with this movie.
My
also.
wife.
And rightly so.
Yeah, I'm sure, and a lot of people.
Yeah.
I
No
understand
wonder
completely.
you connected with it.
Yeah, I completely understand the problems people have, and I see the problems. It's all there to be seen, but I still find it a very enjoyable movie to watch.
I don't. So पता है मेरे साथ क्या भी हुआ था ये this is 2013.
2013.
2013 yeah. So I'll tell you 2011 में आई थी ZNMD.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो I was raving over ZNMD because of course I still do. 2013 में आती है ये जवानी है दीवानी. And then people suddenly say कि ये जवानी है दीवानी is better than ZNMD. I'm like तुम अभी बोलते बोलते खून खौल गया मेरा एकदम से. ठीक है. But so I think उस वजह से मैं थोड़ा और भी एंटी हो गया फिल्म को लेके. But to begin with also I was not like
It's all right.
Yeah, it's all right. It's a decent film. It's okay.
Yeah, it's
Like it can exist.
Yeah.
But I think it's a good film.
Not Hall of Fame worthy, right?
No, Hall of
Because I
Fame,
know he has
yeah.
better films.
Yeah. So yeah.
But अगर तुम लोग सावरिया को maybe में रख रहे हो, I would
चलो
still
ठीक
say
है.
ये भी
Sure,
ये भी
रख
maybe में
लो.
होनी चाहिए. पर ये तो अगर तुम दोनों को ही पसंद नहीं है तो कैसे जाएगी?
हाँ भाई मेरे को तो नहीं पसंद.
तो कैसे जाएगा? तो क्रॉस ही
तो
कर
fuck it. फिर मेरे दोस्तों आती है अभिनव कश्यप की फिल्म दबंग के बाद which is called बेशरम.
Bro, bang,
जहाँ उसको किसी ने लौड़ू नहीं बुलाया.
banger film.
मैं
This
देखी है
film-
बेशरम.
saying? Are you
This film
serious?
deserves
he's
the top
obviously
spot
He's
for
obviously-
Hall of Fame.
Apparently it's very bad.
Fuck Rockstar, fuck Burfi, it's बेशरम. इसके अंदर वो गाना इंडियन किया गया है. बेला चाव बेला चाव
Oh,
बेला
अच्छा.
चाव चाव चाव. ये आपने देखा है? ये जो आई थी अपना मनी हाइस्ट.
Yeah, yeah, of
मैंने नहीं
course.
देखा. बस गाना पता है.
गाना तो
है.
पता है ना
Yeah,
आपको.
yeah.
उसका पता है इन लोग ने डा 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 डा
तो इसका
डा
क्या बनाया
हाँ, तो इसका
तुमने?
इन्होंने
हाँ,
बनाया है हो दिल की घंटी बज गई तेरी डा 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 और तूने मेरा दिल ये किया या डा 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 वो पूरा हिंदी वर्जन बनाया भाई गाने का
Oh, it's like the चगले 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 आजा मेरे लबों को चगले कसले कसले. You
ये
don't know
क्या
the-
है
You don't know the song?
What the
I
fuck
also don't know what is it
Dude,
from?
this is कोई रोके सनम मैं रुक ना पाऊं तेरे पीछे दौड़ा आऊं चुंबक तू. You don't know this song? You know, दीवाने हुए
This
पागल.
is that song, no?
Yeah.
Turn me
turn me on. उसका दीवाने हुए
दीवाने
पागल
हुए
में
पागल में बना.
अक्षय कुमार के साथ
Oh,
there is
yeah.
a full
I don't remember.
चगले
I
चगले
watched the
चगले
film, but I
चगले
don't know
आजा
why-
मेरे
yeah.
लबों को चगले.
No, but I'm
Let me
just-
know in the comments if you know this song. You know what I'm talking about, please.
I'm checking
I
the
love this song,
box
bro.
office of Besharam. इतना बुरा भी नहीं था यार.
Bro, I'll tell you why.
83 crores.
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because this was the first time Ranbir, Rishi, and Neetu,
Were together.
all three of them were in the same film, and like this was like okay, father, son, mother, or
It's बेशरम because nepotism इतनी बेशर्मी से नहीं उसकी है.
That नीतू जी बहुत टाइम बाद फिल्म कर रही थी. चिंटू जी फिल्म में आ गए और फादर फिगर का रोल प्ले करते हैं. एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड स्पॉइलर अलर्ट अगर आप लोग को
मर जाते हैं
अभी
क्या?
तक नहीं
बता
देखा.
दे यार.
सो ही इज प्लेइंग एन ऑर्फन एंड रणबीर,
हाँ.
और उन दोनों के कोई बच्चे होते नहीं है.
अबे.
तो वो एंड में वो उसको कहते हैं कि हम तेरे को ही अडॉप्ट कर
पर वो
लेते
तो
हैं.
ग्रोन अप बच्चा है.
तो क्या नहीं कर
तो अडॉप्ट
सकते?
नहीं कर सकते क्या?
नहीं.
कौन बोला?
After 18 you can't adopt someone.
In this movie you can.
या ब्रो, बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी इज बेशर्म इन द फिल्म.
Even the script writer is like, yeah, hey,
ठीक है, हो जाएगा, चलेगा.
So I was
बढ़िया.
saying it was made on
I
a.
think I'm right.
It was made on a budget of 83 crores and it made 102.9 crores, almost 103 crores. So not terrible, but
Not
But
terrible.
for a budget of 80.
But
it's
also
not-
for
not
this
great.
movie, these 83 crores, Abhinav Kashyap in his interviews, कुछ तो उसने कहानियां बताई कि वो पैसे लेके मैं बाकी कर्जा चुका के फिर मैं और पैसे उठाता था. तो वो करते करते मेरे को 80 करोड़ की पिक्चर बनाने के लिए मिल
Damn,
गई.
bro. अब समझ में आया सलमान उसे लौड़ू के बोलता है.
Yeah, bro. अबे लौड़ू पैसे के बाद कहाँ पिक्चर गए?
Why the fun? I think the most fun part of Abhinav Kashyap's interview is कि सलमान handsome.
Such a
अनिल कपूर बन जाता है एक
कसम
second.
से.
सलमान हैंडसम.
मेरा पेट लोगों को दिख रहा था, उनका पेट तो माशाल्लाह.
भाई.
And you
पर
saw,
वो सैफ के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं? तैमूर के बारे में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या तैमूर से?
पता नहीं भाई, वो नाम तैमूर रख दिया होगा शायद इस वजह से.
हाँ,
काफी
यही उसी का
काफी
जिक्र है.
इस्लामोफोबिक
हाँ, वही
इंटरव्यूज दे रहा है वो.
Islamophobe.
हाँ.
That's his problem.
I get it now, yeah, fair.
So after Besharam, he does two cameos. One of which I think we should speak about.
Tell me.
The first cameo is Bhutnath Returns, where he's playing himself.
Bhutnath Returns I haven't watched.
Okay. Then the second cameo is PK, where he shows up right at the end.
Oh.
Bro, this was actually supposed to be PK2.
sequel,
Yeah.
yeah.
It was actually supposed to be a sequel, but I think never panned
Never
out.
materialized. Yeah. And then comes a movie which I haven't seen. I've heard mixed things about this. Tell me if you guys have seen it. It's a film called Roy.
I have.
Bro,
I've only seen it in
I'll
parts.
tell you why.
Yeah.
So
Suraj.
Roy में the problem that Roy का problem क्या हुआ था? बहुत ही एक तो intellectual film बनाने की कोशिश करी.
And they marketed it as a Ranbir film.
Yeah, and they marketed as a Ranbir Kapoor film.
Where in fact it was a Jacqueline and Arjun
Yeah.
Rampal
ठीक है,
film.
तो उन्होंने क्या
Which
किया?
nobody wants to see. That's the
ट्रेलर
problem.
में उन्होंने जितने रणबीर कपूर के सीन थे
सब डाल दिए.
सब ट्रेलर में डाल दिए. एंड एवरीबॉडी थॉट कि वो इट्स अ रणबीर कपूर फिल्म. रणबीर हैज आई थिंक वन ग्रेट सॉन्ग इन द फिल्म एंड देन ऊपर से उसका एक दो सीन्स हैं एंड देन इवेंचुअली यू गेट टू नो कि रणबीर बोल
He's a
दूं क्या?
supporting character.
No, it's not even a supporting character, dude. It's like a sort of a special appearance of sorts because he's apparently the alter ego of
Arjun
Arjun Rampal, who's a writer.
Oh, it's some Fight Club shit.
तो वैसा सीन है थोड़ा, ठीक है. तो जहां तक मुझे याद है,
Does
मुझे-
Arjun Rampal know it's his alter ego?
मुझे यार अब इतनी याद नहीं है बिकॉज इतनी कुछ ग्रिपिंग भी नहीं है ये फिल्म.
Okay.
Bro, Cyrus Brocha is in the movie as talk show host.
Oh, that's so funny.
Cyrus playing Cyrus. Did he let Ranbir speak in the film?
I don't know if they had.
I mean, if they stuck to character, he should not have.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, so Roy.
Roy to is not, it should
goes-
not be
goes off.
considered.
Should not be
Ranbir Kapoor
considered,
film,
okay.
Yeah.
It should not be considered a movie, is what I said.
Yeah, kind of.
Fair, but
Was that
सूरज डूबा
Besharam?
है यारों.
At least Besharam में. रणबीर
बेशरम में
लिया
एक
है.
और एक और famous गाना है उसका.
Roy का.
Roy का.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
Like Suraj Dubai, of course.
बहुत ही वो है मेलो सॉन्ग है
Yeah,
वो.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, after Roy comes the controversial movie, very famous.
Bombay.
Controversial.
No, actually, yeah.
This is the only film out of Ranbir's filmography that I
I
haven't watched.
haven't seen. Have you
Okay.
seen Bombay Velvet?
I've seen it in parts.
Okay,
and,
I've seen Bombay Velvet.
And apparently Ranbir is quite good in it.
So Bombay Velvet is the only Kashyap film that absolutely does not work for me. Like it falls
Okay.
apart right from the beginning. It's also his most expensive movie.
Yeah.
और वो हर
Famously.
हर इंटरव्यू में
धर्मा के
उसने
साथ।
बताया how the producers took over the movie.
The producer is Dharma, na?
The production company was Phantom, which Anurag Kashyap was a part of, but
Yeah.
it was distributed by Fox Star Studios.
जो
So-
कि भी बंद हो चुकी है ना?
हाँ
जो कि बंद हो चुकी
हाँ,
है
जो
ना?
कि बंद हो
हाँ.
चुकी है. So yeah, I think Fox is the one he's referring to when he says that the production took over, the producers took over the film because they were putting so much money. But yeah, it's a very like the ambition is there. मतलब वो Bombay कैसे establish हुआ in the
That
50s and
yeah.
60s.
The environment they've set, like in the tone.
Yeah, the scope and the story they want to say is very good. But so he's playing a young boy who then becomes a gangster.
Gangster, yeah.
But he's trying to be the soft Ranbir at the same time the angsty Ranbir, and it's not working. So
Then he realized कि एनिमल में सॉफ्ट रणबीर बनने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ तो Bombay Velvet definitely a misfire. So for me it's
Fair.
not
Not
worthy of
fair.
Hall of Fame.
Fair
I wish it could have
How
become
was
a better
Karan Johar in
film.
the movie?
Very weird, dude. So again, Karan Johar is also supposed to play this very tycoon,
Intimidating.
industrialist type, intimidating guy, and it just falls flat.
You think, has he become better as an actor, like in
What
Bads?
did he?
Bads.
Yeah, in Badge is way better.
Yeah.
I was actually thinking Badge में जब वो अपना catty वाला nature दिखाता है, I was like, this is so much better than what he was in Bombay Velvet.
Bro, बैट से मुझे याद आया. I've just booked tickets to the Diavol Bads of Bollywood after party.
Wait, what?
Yeah, so
आर्यन आएगा क्या उसमें?
so
है कहाँ पे?
It's in
And how much is it? Are the costs? for-
3,500 per pass.
Okay.
That's not.
That's not
insane,
crazy.
हाँ.
Yeah,
that's not crazy.
Yeah.
No, where is it? It's like a big event.
Yeah, so Diavol हर साल एक पार्टी करता है. This is I think.
Diavol is his brand. by
Yeah,
the way. It's Arya's brand.
the spirit brand.
Also, when they say after party, where's the actual party?
मैंने after party बोला.
हाँ.
Oh fuck, sorry, party. the party basically.
Okay.
You mean after success party?
after success कह लो,
okay,
whatever,
got it.
take it as you like.
Yeah.
तो बेसिकली सो डावल जो उसका ब्रांड है
हाँ.
वो लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने जो डावल पार्टी करी थी आफ्टर डार्क है सॉरी तभी मेरे मुंह से आफ्टर पार्टी निकला तो वो उन्होंने पिछले साल दुबई में करी थी वेयर दे लॉन्च्ड देयर न्यू रेंज उनका क्लोथिंग भी है ना डावल का
तू दुबई गया था उसका?
नहीं तो अभी इन्होंने इस साल ये लोग मुंबई में कर रहे हैं एंड आई थिंक
पक्का था।
द कास्ट ऑफ बैड्स विल बी देयर तो माय मॉम इज आल्सो गोना बी देयर इन मुंबई
nice, dude. That is so
तो आई
cute.
वाज
You're
लाइक
going to
चलो
a
कब है?
happening
कब
party
है?
with your mom.
कब है?
यार मतलब I
sure.
I would like my mom to go to a star-studded party, dude. And if I have the
But कब है?
passes,
कब है?
this is
But
next
will
Friday,
you-
dude.
Will you totally be able to like?
Please, if someone has passes and you're not going,
Bro,
please go.
district पे है if you wanna buy.
Guys, I don't want to waste money.
Will you be able to let loose with your mom over there?
It's fine, bro. She's having fun. I'm okay.
Oh.
मैं तो ये पार्टीज कभी भी कर लूंगा यार वो मुंबई इतना रेगुलरली नहीं आती if she's
Good.
coming here party is happening why
Good-
not
What a good son, man.
I know, yeah.
Nice.
We
Yeah.
just didn't take our mothers to enough parties.
Yeah, what the heck? My parents would take me to Bollywood party. Bombay Velvet, not-
Bombay Velvet, not Hall of Fame worthy, definitely. Next movie, I think we're gonna have a debate on this. Tamasha.
No, man, not for me.
not a
Yes.
hall of fame
No?
no yeah
I thought Snehal would fight for this movie.
No,
I
no.
don't Snail will fight. for
no
this.
no 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 not out of so ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पसंद like the concept is good relatable ठीक है nice I love पीयूष मिश्रा's character the thing that they've built की कहानी सारी एक ही है आप कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो कहीं से भी वो कर सकते हो द वेरी फेमस सीन की अपनी कहानी मुझसे पूछने आया है कायर एटसेट्रा वेरी गुड सीन मुझे पसंद है फिल्म आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ दोज जो
Hates Tamasha.
जो हेट्स तमाशा बट आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट वन ऑफ दोज हु ओवर हाइप्स इट एंड बी लाइक कि भाई आराम नगर में अगर मैं रह रहा हूँ तो तमाशा का पोस्टर मेरे घर पे होना ही चाहिए
Yeah, yeah. I get it.
ये वो मीम इसी फिल्म का है ना वो जो सर ऐसे
yeah.
रखा हुआ रहता है अच्छा आई एम आल्सो नॉट अ बिग तमाशा फैन सो
you're not?
दिस वाज क्विक तमाशा is
Yeah,
not
dude.
He's not really oh debate होगा
yeah I was like do you think a part of the our listenership will turn off at this
हाई
moment?
चांसेस
Yeah.
तमाशा के काफी
Die hard fans.
die hard fans हैं और लोग कमेंट
Yeah,
करेंगे
you let us know. What is it about Tamasha that you relate
makes
to?
it
so
Hall
much?
of Fame. I always get confused between Tamasha and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Yeah,
for
I
some
do also.
reason, yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, next movie, Karan Johar directorial venture called "Eh Dil Hai Mushkil."
No, I
अच्छा चलता
bro,
हूँ।
Shah Rukh Khan's 5 minutes over Ranbir's 2 hours 25 minutes.
अच्छा चलता हूँ।
Yeah, same. No, doesn't have to be.
I
there.
think Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is Karan Johar's weakest directorial.
I think is that not Student of the Year?
Yeah, Student
Bro,
of the
I
Year.
enjoy Student of the Year more than Ae Dil Hai
Dude,
Mushkil.
Student of the Year I don't enjoy at all, dude.
पहली वाली.
First one is also very, very mid.
But
very,
it's
very-
still more in his zone.
Yeah, it's still
Sure.
it's like you can at least enjoy the Karan Johar aspect of it, right?
Yeah, sure.
It's not a great film.
Ae
I
Dil
agree.
is also not great.
Ae Dil
is
तो-
bad.
Ae Dil is
Yeah.
bad. Ae Dil is not good.
Hey man,
Like
apparently,
galat casting. Ranbir tries very hard. Very good looking people in the frame, but again just doesn't fall right, dude. मतलब
I like the
no,
breakup
dude.
song. It's a good
अच्छा
song.
चलता हूँ।
अरे
नहीं.
the break. अब
Breakup
मैंने
song.
दिल पे
Oh,
रख के
अच्छा.
उसे
पे
breakup
कर लिया.
पे मेकअप
Yeah.
कर लिया.
Okay.
तेरे सैया जिससे आज मैंने
breakup कर लिया.
After "Eh Dil Hai Mushkil," a movie I think we've spoken about before, Jagga Jasoos.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Dude, I would love for it to be in the Hall of
Yeah,
Fame.
yeah, I
Hall
love
of
really-
Fame.
I
I
love,
really
bro,
love it.
Ranbir's
I
Hall
think-
of
I
Fame.
would also actually vote
Are you
for
guys
So-
insane?
So the thing is,
I would vote for
okay,
Jagga.
now
I-
we
I-
just have
so-
one more
so
spot to
so
go.
I would
Yeah.
I would say okay
Yeah.
that when we look back in like whatever once Ranbir has reached
Yeah.
the epitome of his success that he will achieve in his career,
Mm.
and if we look back at his career, right,
Mm.
I think Jagga Jasoos will be like a gem.
Yeah, it
It'll
will be that
looked
film.
at. It'll be
Yeah.
looked at in hindsight as like क्या ही बना दिया था. Very
वो
sad. did
Hall
not
of Fame
get.
नहीं हो ना, वो underrated list हुआ.
No, I think it's extremely underrated. As
Yeah,
to
so-
how good the film
I
is.
agree. I
A
agree.
Hall of
It is
Fame has
not-
to be emblematic of the person's career and
Bro,
image.
Jagga Jasoos will
I
be a
think-
career-defining film
Yeah.
soon. The moment
More
the
than
country,
Burfi.
I think it's so experimental in a
very
way.
different, very different.
Yeah, very
But it's as he rightly put, it's so experimental. Sorry, the animation that they've used, the musical part, bro. I think Jagga Jasoos. If you people have not, if people who are listening have not watched it, I would highly
it's-
recommend that film. It's one of the best Ranbir Kapoor performances.
Like I especially love all the little things that are harking back to like a Wes Anderson type of film.
yeah.
Yeah.
Which I love. I even love Wes Anderson as a director, and because this movie pays in various ways pays homage to that kind of directing. I think it's really stands
Very
out.
good, very good.
And very
मतलब-
unique
ठीक है.
बहुत
चलो,
अच्छी है.
we'll
Vibe.
tick mark it for now.
for now. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, next
आपने
movie.
देखी है Jagga Jasoos?
I've seen. So I tried watching it once, but I was very sleepy. I mean, I realized this film needs attention.
Oh,
It
it does.
does,
It
that
does.
So
does.
so then I bookmarked it to watch it later. But for whatever little I saw, I liked it.
मतलब it's not your usual Bollywood film.
Correct. Yeah.
Dialogues की जगह गाने हैं.
Yeah.
हर 5 मिनट में गाना
Correct.
है.
Yeah.
So it's not a very usual.
And people whose judgment I trust have all liked this movie. So I'm
thanks,
assuming.
Fair.
अच्छा, इसके बाद ऐसी पिक्चर आती है जिसके लिए इसको बहुत accolades मिले, but we have mentioned this movie also before. It's a biopic called Sanju.
bro, fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit.
But Ranbir as an actor,
Yeah, Ranbir
he
as an
totally
actor.
embodies Sanjay
Ranbir
Dutt.
as an actor is good in all the films that we've just talked about. Because Ranbir as an actor is great. It's literally the best of the generation.
It's definitely Sanju is definitely one of his highest grossers, if I'm not wrong.
More
Yeah,
than
probably.
I think 380 crores.
Something like that.
Something, yeah, 3 to 400, I
अब
guess.
इतना 318 तो पता नहीं.
80 नहीं 80. I think
I mean, total gross was 587 crore.
हाँ.
Yeah, it was made on a budget of 96 crores. So,
Mother.
yeah.
और 96 crores में 90 crores तो वही ले गया होगा.
That's an all-time blockbuster.
So,
Yeah, I would say like, see, when I saw it in theaters, devoid of thinking of the extra layers. Oh, is it propaganda? Is it this? Because मेरे को उस टाइम पे ऐसे exact नहीं पता था संजय की लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है. तो at the time I really enjoyed it.
last time जब हमने बात करी थी यही हुआ था कि we both could not see beyond the fact that it was propaganda. And you were like, हाँ तो क्या है, ठीक है यार, मतलब अच्छी है.
Like I was actually like मैं तो उस टाइम पे investigative journalism पढ़ रहा था.
अच्छा मेरे को
Xavier's में I was a student of journalism and उस टाइम पे मेरा इसी का investigative journalism का ही पेपर चल रहा था. तो I was literally reading.
तो extra passion हो
तो
गया
मैं extra ऐसा था कि मैं बदल दूंगा दुनिया.
भाई.
And then I watched
I
the
think
film.
the more correct term would be image remake or image
Yeah,
clean.
it's not a propaganda.
It's not
propaganda
जो
of
events
thing is-
बताया वो गलत नहीं है, but
The thing
उसमें
is,
इस
as
इंसान
a
का role-
movie, reviewer, someone who talks about movies, we have to see a movie as a movie.
Bhai, I
Oh,
think no,
please.
bro.
Bro,
Let's not go there.
I would
But
say the
yeah.
opposite. As
Yeah,
a film reviewer,
let's
it is
not-
your responsibility to bring context to the
because
movie.
see I'll tell you भाई देखो क्या है ना मूवी में
Sure.
जब आप देख रहे हो कि आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड की गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ सो रहा है, ठीक है, और पीछे से राजू ईरानी एक अच्छा सा ट्रम्पेट बजा देता है और रोमांटिसाइज कर देता है उसको, मुझे चांद पे ले, भाई है तो गलत ही ना चीज, चाहे आप उसको जितना उसको, एंड देन व्हाट इज द जस्टिफिकेशन, मैंने तेरे को कहा था ना एक लड़की उधार रही, एंड दिस इज लाइक द लोएस्ट हैंगिंग thing that I have talked about. There are
Sure,
so many
there
more
are
things.
there are problems, but I would say, okay, as a movie, someone talks about films. Okay, I'm not even talking about just reviewers in general. Someone talks about films. Okay, it is fine. You can add more context, how it fits into society, where it stands as a commentary on society. You can talk about all those things, but the movie as a whole, as a unit, should stand on its own. If it does, that's good
It's
enough
a
for the film.
biopic.
It's a
If it was
biopic, yeah.
fictional movie.
Yeah, it's not
About a
fiction.
completely fictional
See, the
character.
only reason why
it's
it's-
literally called
See,
Sanju.
the only reason why it has an even extra added layer is because the person is alive.
No,
Right.
भाई सही नहीं, देखो अब मैं आपको बताऊं ना, अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आज माइकल जैक्सन की बायोपिक का फर्स्ट लुक आया है, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर आई एम अ ह्यूज एमजे फैन बाय द वे, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर जो के एलिगेशंस हैं, ठीक है, बाय कोर्ट ही इज एक्विटेड ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम, राइट, बट अगर मैं मूवी में देखता हूँ और वो उसको ऐसा रोमांटिसाइज करके और ब्यूटिफाई करके उस चीज को साइडलाइन करके बगल से
या ये
निकल
बता
जाते
रहे
हैं,
हैं एक्चुअली वो सफर कर रहा
हाँ,
था इन सब
कि
चीजों
एक्चुअल
से।
में तो वो बस प्यार दिखाना चाह रहा था, you know.
I get what you mean.
See, again-
But regardless, I would say if as a movie
Hmm.
it still works, I think that's still fine. I don't think there's.
It's not fine, bhai, because you are literally
it's not
picking-
fine. maybe-
movie worked for him is what he's trying
Yeah,
to
हाँ,
say.
मतलब
I
वो
understand
अलग
what you
बात
mean.
है।
कि it's ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए in an ideal world, वगैरह वगैरह. But then there are certain movies also that get made that should not have been made.
भाई
That
that
have
is
been
true.
movies
मैं कह रहा हूँ,
always
लेकिन
gonna be a
जब
discussion.
आपके पास इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म, इतना बड़ा मीडियम, इतना बड़ा स्टार, इतनी बड़ी स्टोरी होती है बताने के लिए, आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि भाई मैं तो सब सही कर
See,
रहा था,
I would say-
मीडिया की माँ की आँख।
See, I would say, this is okay. See, Abbas, I would say like for the last few weeks, these American comedians have been doing all this thing about the Riyadh Comedy Festival. Right?
Yeah.
So they've been facing a lot of backlash because of 9/11 and all that. That Saudis seem to have a hand in. Okay. Jon Stewart, I felt, had a very nice take or a very level-headed take. Did you watch Jon Stewart's response to this? Jon Stewart hosts the Daily Show. Very highly sought-after political pundit nahi, commentator.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
like comedian, very funny guy,
Yeah.
and amazing at what he does. The best at what he does. Okay, he his take was ke, so basically the interviewer asked him ke they're asking about Joe Rogan, so he had a very level-headed response.
Rogan's
saying,
response I saw, where
Yeah.
he's like, he had fun being there.
yeah, I had fun being
Yeah,
there firstly,
yeah.
right? And Rogan is not the guy. Oh, you think they're right-wing talking heads who just say what the leading party tells them. Rogan is not that. Okay, he has like views all over the place. Just that people on the left think that everything he says is very right-wing. So people start putting him in that bracket, but he's not exactly that. And Johnson says, I had a very good time. Okay, then the interviewer says the problem is, right, like when Rogan gets on all these famous people on his podcast, he doesn't say anything back.
Yeah.
Okay, so then so Stewart says, okay, fine. So then you become the person who asks those questions. Okay, no,
No.
wait. Then he says, yeah, but I don't have the platform that
We
Joe
don't
Rogan
have
has.
the audience. So
Yeah,
then
so he says,
Stewart
then
says,
get
then
that
the
audience.
So how are you applying that to Sanju?
Okay, so Raju Hirani made the movie he wants to make. That's it.
Sanju is exactly the opposite of the point you're trying to
Yeah,
make.
exactly.
No,
मैं वही
Raju
कहने
is
वाला
the
था।
point.
Raju
I'm saying-
Hirani making a film with Ranveer
No.
Kapoor, he exactly knew when this film opens, it will reach
Yeah.
a massive amount
Massive
of
audience,
people.
yes.
So how can I take that opportunity to cleanse the image of my friend who made a movie for me when I wanted to make a movie? So that's he used that as a tool to show his version of events to the most number of people as possible. He actually got the most number of audience
So,
that
so
he
that's
could.
what I'm saying. So it is Hirani's prerogative, no? That's his
No, but
prerogative.
Hirani has a personal relationship with the subject of the movie. and he was like, my friend, I want to show a squeaky clean image of my friend. I'll show a little bit of him taking drugs and doing this and that, but I will make sure that it's just short
See,
of
again,
But then that's
I'll
what I'm
tell
saying.
you-
painting him as a
Let's-
good guy.
I'll tell you, bhai,
That's,
अगर
if
ये
he wants to make this, firstly, he should be allowed to
he
make
wants
this, right?
to, but
So-
nobody is stopping. The film
Yeah.
released. The
Yeah,
film
that's
made
what-
600
so-
crores. Nobody stopped him from making the movie.
So then, see,
but
again,
the
so then firstly, other
moral
people also
argument
agree.
of the movie, both of us are trying to say that the moral argument of that is, tomorrow if you do something which is which hypothetical, highly hypothetical,
See,
you do something.
alternate history movies exist.
You do
Like
something.
Inglourious Basterds. Bro,
you
they
do
those
something
exist.
which you do something where you're associated with that activity, okay, where you were sitting along with people who were declared by the law as making anti-national activities. Me and Snail was like, and in this time, me and Snail have become really big directors and filmmakers. You know what we can do? We can make a film about Antariksh, but we'll only focus on the good times we have with Antariksh. We will not show the bad things that we. Sure, we can make that movie. It can even be a good movie.
बट उस पर मॉरल कंपास वाली बात आ जाती है. और ऊपर से एक और चीज है ना भाई, आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ.
चलता रहेगा वो तो.
चलता रहे 100%. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे as a movie maker he must have made a fabulous film. Absolutely no doubt about it.
See,
ठीक
also
है,
think
but
about it, right?
एक और-
How many people who are watching a movie are even politically that active?
Bro,
or aware?
again,
Exactly
exactly
the point.
exactly the
Then
point.
They are
That's what I'm saying.
they're more vulnerable
So
to be
that's-
blindfolded
so what
by.
I'm saying is, from
that's
their
what,
POV,
why do you
it's
think?
an entertaining movie.
Why do you think WhatsApp? So then I will say, okay, I will write Taj Mahal was a temple spread on WhatsApp. The people who are not
Yeah.
educated about it will read it. and be
Will
like,
read and be
yeah,
like,
must
yeah,
be true.
okay. As an informed person, it's your responsibility to inform the other person of the right
fair.
information.
Fair. But I would again say, see, I understand both your points. Okay, to some extent, I agree also to the both points. But again, I would still come back to, as if I'm just looking at the movie as a movie and not looking at all the halabaloo around it, it still stands as a decent movie for me. That's
Chalo,
just-
ठीक है.
Fair,
Yeah,
हाँ,
let's
मतलब
agree to
this-
क्या ही
disagree.
बोले?
It's not about disagreeing also. He has his stance, which is
Yeah.
also right. मतलब he जैसे वही है ना, separating art from the artist वाला debate.
Yeah,
you can never come to a conclusion when it comes
Sure,
to that.
yeah.
ठीक है, तो it's just.
But
that.
would you say it's Hall of Fame worthy?
No.
Okay, cool.
चल बुलाए में
Chalo.
इतना time waste.
Quickly moving on. Shamshera.
Hall of Fame, dude. My Shamshera was very bad, yaar. There were random sequences in the movie which made no sense. There was a whole. I still remember because we talked about it. I think
Yeah.
once we
I know
had
the
the-
real Sanjay Dutt is in the movie, in this movie.
in
Shamshera.
real Sanju.
Oh
was in
yeah,
the-
he's the villain. Yes, you're right.
So in Shamshera, like there is this entire crow thing that makes no sense. Why it's
Because
happening?
Game of Thrones was big at that time.
Yeah, maybe that was it.
Anyway,
Very
so
good.
all three of us, मैंने तो देखी भी नहीं है, तो
मत भी
thumbs
देखना।
down from us. Brahmastra, part 1. Sure.
Oh bhai.
Okay, can I
ईशा
say?
तुम मेरा बटन हो.
So I also definitely don't think this is Hall of Fame worthy.
But भाई I feel इसको जबरदस्ती hate मिलता है. ठीक है, इतना hate भी worthy नहीं था यार ब्रह्मास्त्र.
I was gonna say, do you think जैसे होता है ना कि a film sort of जिसके कंधों पे
रख के बंदूक चला दी गई. हाँ,
बंदूक भी नहीं, कंधों पे रख के पिच की गई वो मूवी दुनिया को कि this is going to be the next franchise, blockbuster भी नहीं,
Yeah.
कि this will spawn an entire franchise. I think at this level we had not seen Ranbir being projected as that kind of
Yeah.
this thing.
But the movie, I think,
movie tanked.
shortfall,
Tanked नहीं,
a lot of
movie
shortfalls,
did
yeah.
bad, was not a good film.
आप लोग को genuine लगता है कि ब्रह्मास्त्र as a film was not good?
I think that's
It's
exactly
a
right.
Saturday morning cartoon.
See, I think
Bro,
they did a
I-
good job with CG, with
Yeah,
action fine.
Yeah.
The story is what was the
Bro,
show.
मुझे
Yeah,
मुझे
it's
पता है,
very
मैं आपको
derivative.
बताऊं मेरे को क्या लग रहा था कि स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी थी, बट जिस तरीके से ये लोग ने उसको डायलॉग्स में उतारा,
तेरे को
वो
अच्छी
डायलॉग्स
story-
बहुत खराब
पर तेरे
थे.
को स्टोरी क्या अच्छी लगी?
नहीं, सो आई थिंक नहीं, आप कॉन्सेप्ट देखो ना कि जैसे
The arc and all, I
the
understand the
arc,
arc.
the
Arc
arc
is fine.
ठीक है, the arc हो गया, the descendants
The
of
screenplay then.
कैसे,
The
हाँ,
screenplay is
मतलब
bad.
किस तरीके से स्क्रीन प्ले बना और किस तरीके से डायलॉग्स बने.
Dialogues
डायलॉग,
बहुत
आई थिंक डायलॉग्स पुल्ड द फिल्म डाउन सिंगल हैंडेडली.
Yeah.
अगर मतलब अगर आप मुझे समझाना चाहते
Yeah,
हो
sure.
दैट ईशा तुम्हारा बटन है इज नॉट द वे टू टेल मी एनीथिंग एट दिस पॉइंट. ठीक है
अभी
लाइट
लगेगा।
लाइट
Light
उस
वो
रोशनी
रोशनी
का
है।
नाम है। अरे चुप कर, ब्रह्मास्त्र को तुम समझा रहे हो वो एक पिज्जा की तरह है। अरे तुम
क्या?
यू आर लिटरली टॉकिंग अबाउट द
Yeah.
मोस्ट पावरफुल वेपन इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर मैथोलॉजी एंड यू आर टेलिंग मी वो एक पिज्जा की तरह है। मत करो।
Hey, but I love pizzas.
दैट्स फाइन, ऑर्डर वन।
Great. Can I order a brahmastra? So,
would you-
how was the question? Like when someone says कि वो पिज्जा की तरह है, how is the other person like, what does it taste like? How is the other person not asking that?
Would you guys even consider Brahmastra as an honorable mention?
No. I mean, why?
यार
Honorable mention के लिए तो है ना फिर.
ब्रो मैं आपको genuinely बताऊं, I genuinely think Brahmastra was a very good step in the right direction, but it fell flat when it came to screenplay and dialogues.
Do you think we'll see a Brahmastra 2?
Yes,
someday?
100%.
Andrik?
I'm not 100% sure.
100%.
I
I
think
don't
I
think
think
so.
it will happen
100%.
because firstly the Dharma has already backed out of it.
So I'll tell you,
And-
Ayan has backed out of all his current projects,
I know.
and he's announced that he's
Going
gone to
to-
write Brahmastra.
Oh, because War 2
because so
tanked.
yeah,
So
War 2
royally.
tanked. So I think all he has left with him is Brahmastra 2.
Dude, because he's lost a lot of goodwill.
I'm sure.
For the last two films, he's lost a lot of goodwill.
Okay, quickly. I don't think the next film is also going to be a debate.
हाँ, तो फटाफट
तू
skip करते हैं
शूटी
ना।
तू शूटी में
नहीं,
मुख्तार?
नहीं,
No.
नहीं,
Okay,
नहीं।
now the
No,
big
yeah.
one, guys.
But
Animal
again, but I
in
must say,
2020.
TJMM, what a time pass time in the
Time
theater.
pass,
Bro,
yeah,
but Hall of Fame नहीं है रे।
Not at all, not at all.
Yeah.
But we can talk. We
In
can take 1 minute.
2023, Sandeep Reddy Vanga makes a film with him called Animal. So Animal, not a big fan, but I definitely think this should be in his Hall of Fame.
His Hall of Fame
Yeah.
as an actor.
Yeah, that's what you're doing, right?
Yeah, sure.
ठीक है, it
Well,
did a lot for him
yeah,
as an
it
actor
did-
for
it did
sure.
do a lot. And his acting also, you can't. His acting is impeccable, for sure.
यार वो तो संजू में भी थी। वो तो almost हर पिक्चर में है।
वो तो है.
Bro, but this is his arrival as a fucking
Star.
Yeah.
Star, no?
Superstar Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah. So I think we have our 5.
So I think I'll tell you, I would not want Animal to be in his top 5 because I don't want to think of Ranbir Kapoor and then have Animal in my top 5.
I think it's
Sounds
inevitable
like a
at
you
this
problem,
point.
Snail.
Obviously, यहाँ
At
पे हम
this
individual
point-
opinions ही दे रहे हैं ना।
At this point, anything Ranbir does will, of course, harken back to Animal.
That's what I'm
in
saying.
some way or the
That
other.
is something that I don't want because
I think it's
Ranbir,
inevitable at this point.
Ranbir का image in my mind, I just don't want.
Why?
something
Why
like
is that?
Anim- Yeah,
Why is
I don't
that?
know, man. Animal, it just didn't sit right with me, yaar, for some reason. The film, in a lot
No,
of
it
ways.
didn't sit right with me also. I described it as a car crash. It's very ugly, but you can't look away. But
I've been saying this from day one. कि Animal, as a movie, whatever faults you find with the narrative of the movie, with how the director has written it or whatever, you cannot fault Ranbir for the way he acted. His acting was top notch. And
that is
acting masterclass
true.
for sure.
That is true. That is true. I
Even compared to
agree.
his other movies.
नहीं, I agree what you're saying, but I just
तेरे को नहीं पता ना मर्दाना हीरो है.
अरे ठीक है भाई, वही है ना, देखो मैं आपको एक बात बताता
Compare
हूँ.
the Ranbir or Wake Up Sid to the Ranbir of
That's what I'm
Animal.
saying. पता है क्या होता है ना, जब कोई मुझे ऐसा एग्जांपल देता है ना कि भाई मर्दाना हीरो माचो, मैं आपको genuinely बताऊं भाई, the first thought that I get is अमिताभ बच्चन in दीवार.
Sure,
ठीक
that.
है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप 1975
1975.
में if you can pull that off,
No, but the only
why can't you find better ways to depict
Had-
machoism
in Animal, if by the end of the movie Ranbir's character had fallen down at the feet of God in a temple and said कि आज तक मैंने कुछ नहीं मांगा तुझसे, आज मांगता हूँ, मुझसे ये गलतियाँ हुई, मुझे माफ कर दे,
मेरे
मेरी माँ-
पापा को बचा ले.
मेरे पापा को बचा ले. हाँ, he was right there. Do you think then would it
No,
soften
it's,
your?
yeah, it's not the
Because he's all the Diwar character is doing is repenting, and the Diwar character has a reason to be bad.
Exactly. वही कह रहा हूँ ना भाई, या मैं इस आपकी बात खत्म होते ही मैं यही लाइन बोलता कि there is absolutely, यार, it's दीवार के कैरेक्टर को आप प्लीज इससे इक्वेट करने की कोशिश भी मत ही करो तो बेहतर रहेगा.
कंपेयर तो तू ही कर रहा है.
नहीं मैं माचोइज्म की बात कर रहा था कि if you can find ways to show machoism with not being problematic of
I'm
sorts,
saying why do you not want that image for Ranbir?
I want that image for Ranbir. Not it.
But
I
you
am,
think it was the way it was portrayed in Animal?
मतलब see, रणबीर को आप मुझे जैसे हम लोग रणवीर को हम लोग देखते हैं इसके अंदर धुरंधर में, जैसे हम देख रहे हैं रणवीर को, ठीक है, टीजर ट्रेलर में, अगर आप मुझे रणवीर वैसा पोर्ट्रे करते हो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उससे. आई वुड एक्चुअली वांट टू सी हिम इन दैट फियर्स अवतार, ठीक है. बट देन बिकॉज all of us are subconsciously aware of the problems that Animal as a film brings with it. I just don't want to associate Ranbir with that.
But I think I agree with all of what you said, but I think it's beyond our choice now, because Animal as a movie has become so influential that there is a copy of Animal every 3 months now.
Especially that sequence. Especially that sequence.
The interval sequence.
Dude, I'm telling you, आप लोगों ने फतेह नहीं देखी ना अभी तक.
नहीं,
I think we
फतेह,
talked
बागी
about it
4,
also. बागी 4 में तो है ही है. भाई फतेह में तो सेम है. सेम.
Okay.
सूट में वो उधर वैसा वो होटल लाल लाइट पीछे गाना बज रहा है, बस अर्जुन वैली नहीं है वो गाना, बाकी सब सेम है. So I get the impact that Animal has had on the industry. But there are people like Atlee saying what Animal did for Ranbir, Baby John will do for Varun Dhawan. बेचारा, I swear. एक तो मुझे वरुण धवन भी काफी पसंद है for some reason. But anyway,
Hall of Fame or no?
I don't want it to be his Hall of Fame.
Hall of Fame or no?
But again, I agree
that it should be in the Hall of Fame.
I also agree.
I don't know, man.
So
I
now-
don't want it to be his Hall of Fame, but I know it's also inevitable at this point, because I think Ranbir ka career for a lot of people has peaked with Animal.
Okay. So
So,
as of now, how our list stands is Savaria maybe, then Wake Up Sid yes, then Rocket Singh maybe, then Rockstar yes, Barfi yes, Jagga Jasoos yes, and Animal yes. So that is
how many yeses do we have?
So
5.
we have
I counted, yes.
okay. Wake Up Sid 1, Rockstar, Barfi 2, 3, Jagga and Animal 5. Yeah, 5 we have
You
already.
want to put Barfi and Jagga Jasoos both in this Hall of Fame?
मतलब yeah.
I mean, both are Anurag Basu. Both
तो
are
अनुराग बासु दो अच्छी पिक्चरें नहीं बना
both
सकता.
are somewhere in the same-ish.
We also have Savaria and
Which are
Rocket
the
Singh.
maybes? I would replace Jagga Jasoos with Rocket Singh.
Jagga Jasoos
Hall
Rocket
of
Singh.
Fame.
Yeah.
अबे नहीं बे.
I think Jagga Jasoos is a more
नहीं.
Come
not
on,
at
yaar.
all. Not
Rocket
at all.
Singh.
Bro, I would say
Not
it's
at
more
all.
captivating.
Animal को replace कर सकते हो आप Rocket Singh. If you want.
What other maybes do we have?
Savaria.
Savaria तो चलो नहीं.
Savaria and Rocket Singh are the only ones?
Yeah. Savaria तो आप cancelling already.
इसलिए मैं तुम्हारी नहीं मानूंगा. मैं कैंसिल कर दूंगा.
Come on, guys, let's replace Jagga Jasoos with Rocket Singh. थोड़ा variety आएगा यार.
Jagga Jasoos with Rocket Singh.
Yeah.
Ulta Jagga Jasoos is the variety. It's such a different movie.
It is
So then
actually.
what if we put Jagga Jasoos, what's the Hall of Fame we have?
If you put Jagga Jasoos, then
Yeah.
we have the current Hall of Fame that we already
Which
have,
is?
which is Wake Up Sid, Rockstar, Barfi, Jagga Jasoos and Animal.
Do we want to replace any film with Tamasha?
No.
No, I would say you can also replace Rockstar with Rocket Singh.
अबे तू थोड़ा कैसी बातें कर रहा है भाई.
I like Rocket Singh more than Rockstar.
What?
Okay,
Yeah.
Are you really considering it?
So again, see, as a movie and rewatchability, Rocket Singh is more rewatchable for me. But Rockstar, I can tell Ranbir's acting is a groundbreaking performance.
Bro,
dude.
that's the thing. In Rocket Singh, he's so good, you can't tell he's acting.
I mean, yeah, there's an
अबे
argument for
इरफान
that.
खान नहीं है वो.
There's an argument for that, sure. But you can tell as an actor, he has given so much to
Bro,
Rockstar.
Ranbir,
Yeah,
I think
overdoing it.
Bro, I think Ranbir का जो
Fun fact, by the way. Sorry, go ahead.
कोई नहीं बोलो.
I was coming to a fun fact about Rockstar. You know famously that it was shot backwards in sequence.
Yeah.
So that's why, because Ranveer starts out with long hair and then
Oh,
the
acha,
hair
that
becomes
way,
shorter. So people, the common joke is, oh, that's why Nargis Fakhri's acting becomes worse as the movie goes on. Because she was a newer actor and the movie was shot at the end.
Fair.
And became a more seasoned actor. Sorry, you were saying what?
भूल गया मैं क्या बोल रहा था. हाँ, मैं कह रहा था कि जब मतलब रणबीर को अगर आप Rockstar was the breakout for him.
Sure, it's just not a movie I like.
ठीक है, fair. You can not like that film. It's fine. You can be wrong. It's okay.
ठीक है, so are we sticking?
Yeah, let's.
I'm surprised we are having a debate on Rockstar and not Animal being in the Hall of Fame.
Animal, I
Animal
don't think there is a debate.
Definitely career defining. No, there is no
Career
argument.
defining though hai.
There's no argument.
I can't argue that.
Yeah.
Yes, and for like,
But for that,
what we-
Rockstar also.
For,
in
yeah,
that
but
way.
exactly.
But
But
then
for what we have, Animal is gonna be stuck with Ranbir for like Ranbir
That's
is
what
gonna
I'm
be
saying.
stuck with
If you-
Animal for the next
तुम
5
लोग
years.
दोनों ने जग्गा जासूस पे ना वो ये किया है कि फ्यूचर में वो अप्रिशिएट होगी.
But bro, it's
So
actually
the
a
thing
very
is,
good
if
film.
you watch it, I think you will also.
You
agree
will
if
also
watch
like it, yeah.
It's a very
Yeah,
good.
but
movie.
liking is one thing. We're making a Hall of Fame. Rocket
Bro,
Man
Rocket
Salesman
Singh
of
is
the
not
Year.
Hall of Fame, yeah.
Yeah, but also between Jagga and Rocket, I would say Jagga is a better movie.
Okay, sure.
Rocket Singh is good. It's a good movie and it's very
Abhi-
underappreciated.
acha,
Yes,
chalo,
for sure.
abhi now
But
we-
Jagga is also exactly that, but more ambitious, more experimental, more everything. In
And
songs are better.
also had better post-release interviews.
Yeah, that
Famously, yes.
actually-
Yeah, they know most contentious interview.
Also,
run ever.
now that we know we're coming to the end of the episode,
Yeah.
we know कि रणबीर का अगला लाइनअप क्या है. 3-4 फिल्मों का तो हमें पता ही है.
हाँ,
Right.
Animal
ठीक
Park.
है. So Animal Park, Ramayan 1,
Ramayan.
Love and War, Ramayan 2.
And Doom, people keep saying.
Doom 4 people keep saying, but let's just क्योंकि उसका कुछ उतना monumental अपने पास है नहीं, तो let's just not count that.
Now that the mayor of New York has played the song, maybe the
Bro,
film will
हाँ,
get
धूम
greenlit.
मचा ले, धूम मचा ले, धूम.
Oh, did he? Did he
Yeah.
play
You
Zora?
don't know this? Yeah.
But where did he play?
At
the
At the victory
Yeah,
speech.
victory
After
speech.
the speech, he played
so
Dhoom
funny.
Macha
But
Le.
anyway, so out of these 4 films, do you think हमारी Hall of Fame में से किसी को replace कोई film replace
I
हो
mean,
सकती है इन
Ramayan
चार
can clearly replace any one of them.
I mean, Ramayana is turning out to be one of the most ambitious projects
Yeah.
ever. So,
People are
yes,
saying 4,000 crores.
it could be that, but the thing is, see,
Even
man,
even the
the
Sanjay
thing
Leela
is,
Bhansali
we
film.
already know the story of Ramayana. So the story is gonna be just that only. Now,
Yeah, I'm
you know
sure
what I mean?
nobody's
So it's not gonna.
looking for a twist.
So story-wise, it won't blow.
क्या
people's-
रावण मरेगा इस बार ही?
That's what I'm saying. Story-wise, it's not gonna blow people's minds away.
But the
Now
production
the only
Bro,
comes
but
to-
nobody goes to Ramayana to watch Ramayana or any epic, religious epic.
Yeah, sure.
On a story level, be blown away.
That's fair. Also, yes, you're right.
They are looking
So-
for the faithful adaptation of
Sure.
the story.
So
yeah.
then, so that's what I'm saying. But I know Ranbir is gonna give it his all. It's one of the. This is the biggest project that he has.
Yeah.
Almost ever. So. Yeah, maybe.
could it
does-
replace one of the films that we have?
It's possible in theory,
Jaga
but
Jasus.
it's a tough one. But it is possible.
I
But
think
also, you know,
possible,
Animal
yeah.
Park also, you never know. It might just blow everyone away.
So, I mean,
कुछ तो हटके करेगा.
Bro, so
Actually,
Animal
so
Park apparently, so abhi right now, Vanga is working on Spirit. Obviously, he's
Yeah.
announced that.
Yeah.
27 May he says he'll start writing.
so at 29 तक आएगी.
29 तक आएगी. Like Ranbir would be what?
46,
45,
46
46 by then.
I think
Anyway,
it's-
ठीक है, fair.
No, I was trying to see what all eras of Ranbir we have covered. So Wake Up Sid is early era.
The
Then what
chocolate,
else we
the
have?
chocolatey,
Chocolate boy.
yeah,
What else do we have then?
Rockstar, Burfi.
After Rockstar, Burfi, yeah, kind of his
Burfi, yes.
middle.
Where he like Rockstar was the film that put him on a pedestal.
On a pedestal, yeah.
Yeah.
Then we have Jaga Jasus and Animal, right?
Jaga Jasus was very experimented.
But it was near Burfi only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
20
बनी है लेकिन 11 साल से रही थी ना.
हाँ,
बहुत लंबी चल रही थी ये फिल्म.
Yeah, so in the later career of Ranbir, we only have Animal. So,
Should have made better choices.
but yeah, I think even the Sanjay Leela Bhansali film.
Love and War, हाँ,
Love and
मुझे भी
War
उस पर
might
थोड़ा
also
वो है कि
be-
because bro Vicky Alia Ranbir
Oh, yeah,
could be
वो तो मैं भूल ही गया था. Correct.
also and Bansali coming back to the big screen.
Dude, the thing is, Bansali gets from his actors, he gets impeccable
Yeah,
performances from his actors.
yeah,
every
yeah,
single
yeah.
time. So yeah, for sure. That's again.
So
is
basically, in
possible.
5 years, we should redo the Hall of Fame. is what
Yes,
you're trying to
if
say.
all of us are alive.
Oh, yeah, Love and War की release date क्या है? 26?
next year December.
Oh, अभी तो बहुत time है यार. चलो.
Oh, wait, the next MCHU movie, Machu. MHCU movie.
Let's see much.
The Anispadda movie.
दिसंबर है
Machu
कि
Picchu.
अभी ये है जैन है मतलब जून है कुछ ऐसा ही है बीच में या एंड में मतलब
अच्छा,
बट
okay.
जहाँ तक बंसाली को हम लोग जानते हैं एंड ही होगा
हाँ,
जल्दी तो वो
possible.
नहीं ही बनाता है
Yeah.
फिल्म
So yeah, tell us if you agree with this Hall of Fame.
मुझे पता नहीं क्यों थोड़ा हल्का लग रहा है इसका हॉल ऑफ फेम
मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि 4 ही होनी चाहिए.
4 ही होनी चाहिए थी इसकी हॉल ऑफ फेम
I mean, just run it down again. It was Wake Up Sid,
Yeah.
Rockstar, Burfi, Jaga Jasus, and Animal. That's
Jagga
the Hall
Jasus
of
और
Fame.
Animal में थोड़ा
ये जवानी है दीवानी काउंट करोगे क्या इसका नहीं ना
Hall of
तो
Fame.
अब
Then
तो
people
हो
will say
रहा
you might as well put Tamasha then. if you
तमाशा
have to
हाँ
put,
I think तमाशा will be the most debated और
Probably.
एनिमल will भी बहुत कमेंट्स आएंगे
Okay, also, you know, another interesting question would be, because we have talked about his filmography.
Yeah.
Do you see a niche that Ranbir could occupy, as in like do a type of movie that you've never seen him in? Let us know about that also. That'd be interesting. What you have to say about that?
Has he done an out of comedy? Yes. Ajab
Prem.
Ajab Prem.
Yeah.
But he should
Out
do.
of
He can do more. There's
Yeah,
nothing-
ab lekin I think
there are not
I
enough
think
comedy in
being
this world,
I think
dude.
at this point being 45 and trying to pull off like a Ajab Prem Gazab Kahani.
Ajab he can't. But there are
Uh-huh.
other comedies to be made, man. I'm sure.
Fair. ठीक है.
If, you know,
Makes sense.
and this guy's getting the cream of the crop when it comes to selection of scripts. If he
Bro,
wants
crazy. He's I
What-
think
what is he
he's
about?
I think the top spot right now.
to. Yeah, what is it about?
He is the top prize.
All right. Thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of Pop Conversation. Hope you guys had a good time. Let us know what you thought of our selection of movies for Ranveer's Hall of Fame. What do you think of Ranveer in general? What do you think of the Ranveer versus Ranveer debate? Who is actually on top? And what do you think of Dhurandhar coming up? A lot of things to talk about. In the
fuck
comments.
bro, yeah. धुरंधर भी तो आने वाली है. Next week धुरंधर के बारे में बात करेंगे.
Yes.
नहीं,
Signing
next
off.
week.
Please check out.
Wait, I have
this
to
up.
plug something. Ghumar is back in theaters, guys. Go watch
Okay.
it because the Indian women's team won the World Cup, so they're doing another run of the movie.
Oh, is it?
So yeah.
Oh,
go-
nice.
मैंने भेजा इसको
किसने
post.
भेजा था
मैंने
मेरे
भेजा
को?
post.
मेरे को पता भी नहीं।
मैंने
तेरे को पता नहीं रोग-
very I was like I saw that and I was like Abbas, please plug it again. Your 50 seconds of fame is back.
Yes.
Nice. All right.
Love it.
Check out That Filmy Game Show, Spender Bender, the other shows that I'm doing. Same.
Yeah, please subscribe to the channel, and if you think that there are people who would enjoy this kind of content, please share this content with them.
Become a member.
Become a member. हम लोग हर ऑल्टरनेटिव वीक एक स्पेशल एपिसोड रिलीज करते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं रिलीज करने का. कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती है तो नहीं कर पाते, इट्स ओके. बट हम लोग हर ऑल्टरनेटिव वीक फ्री टिकट्स देते हैं टू मूवीज. वी हैव 2 tiers, caramel tier and salted tier. You get 2 movie tickets if you are a caramel tier member, and you get to feature on the episode.
Yeah.
And if you're a salted tier member, you get a free movie ticket.
Not assaulted. Assault.
Salted, yes. Not if you're an assaulted member.
We don't
Oh, shit.
assault our
We're
members.
sorry if you've been assaulted, dude. Oh my
By
god.
Namkeen. Salted.
Anyway.
Salt bay.
So yeah, please do consider joining the membership, and more perks to follow soon.
Also, please hype these the
Yeah,
videos on the
the
channel.
videos.
Please hype.
क्या फीचर है
यार,
ये?
Hype it.
करो,
Just hype it.
Just hype it.
होता क्या इससे?
बस hype
The
करो यार.
algorithm pushes it.
करो यार.
Oh bro, hype
करो
करो,
hype
bro.
करो यार. अबे hype
I think we've had this conversation. Please hype the
hype it a
video.
lot. Okay, चलो. Bye-bye.
Chal, see you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.